Yo, 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 yo. What up? What it is? Smash that fucking like button, baby. Sorry for the lateness. I had a little bit of technical difficulties, per usual. But we're going to get after this dongs tonight, boy. And girl. So let me just get a little settled here. We're going to get after it. It's an interesting day today, guys. I know it was red, and we'll talk a little bit about that. We will. It was unfortunate, but again, it's just part of the game, baby. If you ain't ready for the game, man, you better get out the kitchen, man. You better get out the kitchen, man. Because the game don't care about you. I promise. So, with that being said, guys, give me 1 minute here and we'll start rolling. Start rolling, guys. If you want me to review a stock for you again, give me a little more than 4 letters, please. And that doesn't mean 5. Give me a little more. Are you in it long? Are you in it short? Are you in it now? Are you worried? Are you happy? Give me a little bit more, y'all. Help me help you. If you give me 4 ticker symbols, I can't give, none of this is financial advice, but I want to give you guys the best guidance that I can possible. And at the very least, try to learn you. So help me help you guys. Again, welcome to the channel. If you're new, smash that like button. And hit that subscribe button as well. Turn on the notification bell because we getting after it daily. Okay? We're going to get you. We're going to get you covered. Now, 2 more seconds, guys. Just trying to get it rolling. Oh, everything's freezing on me, guys. This computer's garbage, man. I built this shit. Maybe that's why it's garbage. I didn't think about that, did I? Okay. Yep, guys. We're going to wait a little bit, get some people in here. Again, smash that like button on your way in. And also, again, if you want me to review stock, give me a little more. Help me help you. What are you about? What about the stock, man? You in it? You want to get in it? You about it? You going long? You going strong? You got options? What you doing, man? All right, this is redonkulous. There it is. Cool. Throwing in my pat link. Yay. All right, how you guys doing tonight? Give me a like. Give me a smash. Okay, whoever was above this, I can't see you. Damn it. What's going on with Neo? There's a couple things going on with Neo, okay? It's a culmination of... essentially the culmination of the market and what's going on in China right now. So China, high level, China is, they're going through some global conflict with the Western part of the world. And that's been detrimental to really all Chinese, heavy Chinese companies, Alibaba, Xpeng, Li, Neo, they're feeling that. So it's very unfortunate. Let's go, Little Caesars. Bloodbath Gang. Damn right, brother. Chug. Texan, what's happening, guys? Guys. We got some patrons in here. Patrons, quick shout out to you real quick. I hope you guys have been noticing some changes we've been making to the Discord. I have been throwing in some daily trade signals for you guys. Please take advantage of that. That is exclusively for you guys. You guys pay and support the channel, so I feel I can pay you back. And those signals I throw out, guys, okay, they're potential, and you got to be patient with them. But here's the thing. Whatever you guys pay to support the channel, those will pay you back tenfold. I guarantee that, okay? We actually had a call out, I believe 2 days ago, I called out TGGI, guys, and that thing ran 80% like 10 minutes after I called it out, okay, guys? So I'm trying to do you a favor. And again, if you guys are interested in being a Patreon, please check out the link at the top of the chat, okay? You know, I don't ask for much, and I feel like I can return much greater, whether that is from a financial standpoint or from a knowledge standpoint, okay? I'll share with you my watch list. I will share with you trade signals on the daily. We'll get after it. We can do some coaching as well. I'm there for you guys. You get quite a bit of perks for such a low price. Quick plug. Sergi, what's up, baby? My average is 8.7. Good position. Let me holler at some people real quick. Yay. Cool. Okay, let's get it rolling. Ryan Top, you know I love you. And Damien. Give me a little more. Damien and Ryan, give me a little more. What's up with these stocks, man? What's up with them? CCIV? What about CCIV? Tilray? What about it? I don't know. Question mark? I got a question mark too. I don't know, man. Sergi, that's a good one. My average on Nano Dimensions is 8.7. Good position. Let's take a look, boss. Nano Direct Offerings mentions. Okay, guy. I love calling them that. Why? Because I'm a savage. Here's Nano Dimensions on the max chart. Let's draw on some quick support and resistance levels. Sergi, you're sitting at 8.7. Let's talk about it. First, let me draw on these levels, and then we'll get it rolling. We'll get it rolling, brother. Yee. 8.7 on the money. Let's get you in here, Serge. You said you're 8.7, man. Let's get to 8.7, man. Right there, man. Edit properties. Serge, what's your favorite color, man? Is it purple? I think so. Okay. 8.7, we with it. Daily chart, boom. 4 hour, boom. Let's take a look. Okay. We're seeing a lot of curtail in here, right? Makes sense. We saw what we saw today with the markets. Okay, there's a lot of red. Now, major support and resistance levels for me, more interim. Okay, pay attention to these. They're significant. I'd argue there's easily another one down here at about 703. Okay, boss. So I got 703, 787. Okay, Boeing 787. Or is it 37? Whatever. And then 1153 for your resistance, boss. Now, as we approach 787, I would expect a bounce potentially, worst case, 703. Long term, I'm still about it, okay? Moving average, yes, it is selling off. Direction is pointing down right now based on my moving average. Yes, it's unfortunate. Here's the thing, if it makes you feel any better, ride or die, baby, because I'm in this too, damn it. So I'm in it very long. I like Nano Direct Offering mentions. I like this company, okay? Very long term, great potential in my eyes. I'm holding strong and long, just like my NEO investment. If it's an investment to me, guys, I'm sticking to my plan. I don't care what happens in the market. My plan is to hold it for 2 years. I'm holding it for 2 motherfucking years, okay? I'm going to draw on some theoretical sloping, okay, support lines. I don't know if that's hitting. I doubt it. Only reason is because you can see more interim, right? We have this big red Marubozu candle, okay, big boy, and then we're following with a little bit of a very weak red candle, okay? I like that it's weak, the body is small, and the bottom wick is telling me that there's rejection of lower prices, but again, that wick is really not that long, so we gotta take that with a grain of salt. Let me zoom out here. Sorry about that, big boss. 4 hour, boom, baby. So you can see, right? Sloping resistance, we broke out of that. We were looking so damn bullish, okay? Now, next thing I want to see, again, let's see if we can find a sloping support. That is very good for this company. And I think, again, worst case, boss, 703. 703. Why? We had a major amount, a tremendous amount of consolidation around there, almost for like a week straight, historically speaking. But let's see if we can form a little bit of a slope here. If we can, let's keep our eyes on it. Sergi, you are a patron, and I got you. You scratch my back, I scratch yours, okay? Plain and simple. And in the interim, I will be throwing you trade signals as well, because that is what all the Patreons get on this channel. We give them trade signals, and they do pan out. Let's take a look at TGGI. Let's take a look at an example, baby, okay? I called this out in the Patreon. Oh my gosh, it's still running. I called this out, what, down here, guys? Let's get it, baby. Okay, so eat up, baby. Sergi, let's get it. Hey, man, long-term thoughts on CCIV. Let's scroll down. Let's holler at some people. Smash that like button, guys. Smash the foot. There you go, Ed. I like it. Never too soon, baby. I'd say too late, Ed. Step it up. Long-term thoughts on CCIV. Average 25.05. Love Lucid, but I am new to seeing good fundamentals. Okay. Good. Well, first of all, just a little tidbit, okay? Don't get offended. but make sure, you know, you feel a lot more confident ahead of time, right? If you're kind of skeptic on the fundamentals, make sure you understand them a little bit better before you invest your hard-earned money, because then at that point, it's potentially a gamble, right? You're kind of going out feeling like, I feel like this company's going to do really well, but I don't understand the fundamentals. So just do yourself a solid, okay? Because I've learned the hard way, okay? All of us have. But you know what? That's all part of the game too. So you know, I'm not going to discount you for that. Just a little advice there. CCIV key levels I'm seeing. Boom, baby. 1938. I like 1938. 2616 is a good midpoint I'm seeing. 3325 is your current resistance level. Now, obviously, it's been selling off, right? Okay. Volume has been kind of cut in half since the daily average of 54 million. Now we're sitting at about 24 million. So volume is dying. Seller volume is growing. Okay, I don't like that, but here's what I do like. RSI is low. Okay, proportionally to the last 180 days is the 180-day 4-hour chart. So I do like that. Volume looks, I mean, not volume. Price levels look phenomenal, but it doesn't mean it can't keep selling off. Let's try to get it at the best buy possible. Momentum, okay, it's been on average bearish, makes sense, but it's not that strong. Okay, so you know, that's something to just consider. Now, you said you're at, what are you at? 20, I apologize. 2505. Okay, you're at 2505. Not bad, not bad. 2505, okay. You know, so proportionally, if you're going to hold this for 180 days, right, you got it at a really good buy. If you're going to hold it for at least a 6-month period, right, proportionally to the last 180 days. Now, granted, right, some of that data is extremely skewed, okay, so you got to take that with a grain of salt. But again, proportionately, you're sitting at a pretty good position. Now, I don't know why you jumped in at that price. I don't know if you jumped in, you saw this kind of run up, you thought it was going to bounce, but that's okay. Nobody knows the market's going to sell off, but that's why you got to have an exit plan. But if you're an investor, then it is what it is. Now, currently, we are potentially finding a support here, okay, at about 2250. So let's see where we can go from there. 2258 about, okay. I like the green candle here, right in the after-hour session. So we did cool down off that aggressive sell-off we saw most of today. Doesn't look too bad. The only thing that I am concerned about, though, is that momentum and direction is still unclear. We are clearly below my 9 EMA here. So that means the bearish price action is still pretty strong, okay? It's going to coincide a little bit with momentum, right? And momentum is picking up ever so slightly, but I'd say momentum on average has been pretty flat, which is premature signs of consolidation of the price levels, okay? So the thing I would look for if I were you, let's see if we can bounce here off the significant level of 2258, and then we'll go from there, boss. Jonathan, I'm waiting to get into Tesla. I see an inverse head and shoulders, but I feel like I am missing something. Okay. What hour time frame were you seeing it on, boss man? Okay, I do see. So you know, I see what you're trying, or what you thought you might have saw. And I'm not saying you're wrong, right? There is a head and shoulders here. Unfortunately, it didn't follow suit necessarily, right? Your neckline's right here. It's a descending inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? Say that 5 times. So, you know, we were sitting on this sloping resistance level. We did our thing, and it didn't really follow suit, right? If this were to break through, which it attempted to, it would have been probably about there, because that's just the way head and shoulders work, right? After you get past that second shoulder, you get to a major area on its side of it. And that's kind of like your breakout point as to whether or not it is following suit with a continuation or a reversal state. It does look like we did break out of that, and it is still selling off pretty aggressively. We're clearly below my EMA line there, okay? 180-day chart, you can see on average this thing's been pumping it, and it's cooling down. Makes sense. A lot of growth stocks are, a lot of tech-heavy stocks are. So it is what it is, okay? Let's go from there. Sloping resistance, I feel really good about that. That is following suit, okay? I think I'm seeing a sloping support as well. I do like that. Okay, multiple touches on the wicks. I like it, but we are descending, okay? Be careful. I think this thing definitely has more room to sell off. Let's try to get it at the best buy possible. Volume is holding pretty strong. I like that as opposed to the daily average. Seller volume, however, is increasing, okay? Sellers dominated majority today. Makes sense. We did sell off. RSI is pretty low proportionally to the last 180 days. It's sitting at about 37, so that's pretty low. That's pretty low, but I think we can get it even cheaper, boss. Momentum indicator. Momentum is favoring the bears right now, and it is increasing. And momentum makes sense because we have been selling off with the culmination of seller volume increasing. Okay, so be cognizant of that. 5 years pounds here, charge point. Yeah, you want a TA? Give me a second here. Looking at Magic seems undervalued. Okay, we can look at it really quick here. Looks like you just want a quick opinion. Let's go to the max. Okay. So it depends, right? Undervalued is kind of a broad statement. Undervalued, right? Are you talking like technically? Are you talking fundamentally? Because when you talk about value in a company, you're typically speaking from a fundamental standpoint. Now, value proposition wise, right? And enterprise wise, I don't know if it's undervalued right now. Okay, I really don't. It's hard to tell, right? I just don't know anything about this company. I don't know anything about their financials, right? We've been increasing over time. This was clearly an outlier because I was way overvalued at that time. I'd argue since it's been so bullish lately, right? Is it perhaps technically overvalued? It probably is. RSI is probably fairly high proportionally. Let's go to the 180-day chart, right? So volume's not too bad, but it's extremely low, okay? Proportionally to the daily average, it's not too bad. But 29,000 volume, it's not my cup of tea. But, you know, not trying to discount the company. They do have dividends, okay? So it does look like they have some substantial value there. Any company with dividends is a pretty solid company, okay? That means they're able to essentially profit share with their investors. That's phenomenal. That means they can afford to do so. Seller volume dominated most of today. Made sense. We sold off. RSI, okay. It's low. Okay, so maybe it is undervalued. Technically, at least proportionate to the last 6 months. Momentum is continuing on for the bears. So be cognizant of that. Okay, I think it's still selling off. But from value standpoint, it's really hard to make that assumption because I don't know the fundamentals of this company. But I from a high level, they're giving out dividends. That's pretty good. So maybe they are pretty good. Hey, Soreen, how about Neo at 57? Do you feel in 2 years or 3, Neo could be at, yeah, easily. I think so. Easily. Guys, you can't, this is why the market is selling off, because everyone is overreacting. It is what it is, man. If Neo's low, it's low. If it's high, it's high. You know, what's your plan? Okay. Value, from a value standpoint, proportionate to growth and opportunity in market sector. Okay, they're fine. They're gonna smash. Okay, they're gonna do phenomenal. It's a great company. It's not necessarily all biased. I did my due diligence. I'm in Neo heavy. I'm about the same average as you, and I have a lot of money in it, and I'm not too worried. Okay, I'm not like, oh, it's low now. Is it gonna ever come back? It'll come back. Why? Because I'm holding it for years. It's probably gonna come back. Okay. From a fundamental standpoint, from a technical standpoint, and even from a theoretical standpoint, it has nothing but upside. Okay. All the price that it's at right now, it's things out of its control. Okay, it's the market. It's the market. It's everything around it. Neo in its isolated bubble is doing absolutely phenomenal. They're a great company. Okay, every company's going to go through sidewinders. It's part of the game. Amazon. Okay, max chart. Right? One point in time, they were doing some Neo shit. Look how low they came, man. 33%. Neo's about down 33% from their all-time high. Okay, they ultimately recovered slowly. They consolidated a little bit, and now they are what they are. Okay, now this is an analogy. Every company's going to do their own thing, but any big company that there is today, any company that's doing outstanding, they went through periods of downside. It's just part of the game. Some things are out of their control. Some things are in their control. Okay, so that's why you got to do the fundamental analysis, right? Due diligence. How are they actually looking going forward? And they look great. There's nothing wrong with Neo. It's unfortunate that China's going through shit, market's going through shit. That's fine. Semiconductors, right? That's out of their control. All that shit's out of their control. I still like them long term. Yeah. Smash that like button, guys. If you want daily trade signals, okay? Daily trade signals, my personal watch list. You want coaching, whatever. Check out the Patreon link. At least consider it, right? If you're interested. If you're not, you're not. Whatever. You got nothing to lose, right? But you got plenty to gain. Okay. Short-term volatility, long run, big sky coming. DPW, I bought it kind of high, bounce back coming. Maybe. How high did you buy it? Help me help you. Man, it's selling off pretty good. Okay. Max chart, you know, it is what it is on the max chart, right? I trade stocks that look like just like this. Don't get too worried, right? 4 hour. The 4 hour, it is selling off pretty aggressively. On average, it's been selling off pretty damn good. Let's go to the 1 year, okay? It's very, very bearish right now. Be careful. You know, maybe you take your money and run. It's hard to tell, man. You know, on the daily, right? I don't know what your plan is. 4 hour, right? 4 hour, it's been having a lot of downside. It looks like it did try to curtail back up. It was looking pretty explosive, and it's just getting smashed, hammered down hard really quick. Now, if you want to feel a little bit better about some things that I'm calling out, okay, there's a support here at 283. We can check the validity of that, right? Let's come across. Let's see if it's touched before, right? And it has quite a few times, okay? So I think that support's real. Let's see if we can find and bounce off of that. Hopefully it does, and then if it does, try to get out as soon as you can, okay? Let's get out at the next resistance, whatever it is, right? The thing with the stock market, you got to be robotic. If it didn't work out, cool. Cut your losses quick and get out and move on to the next. MK64, let's go, baby. Smash that like button, baby. Would you have a look at LKCO for me? Thanks. Yeah, man. What about it, though? What you need, man? I'm going to look quick because I don't know what you need. I don't know. You in it short, long? You guys got to help me out, man. You're killing me. You're killing me. Quick look. This is a quick look. Looks good, man. Next one. Who's next? Okay. It looks, it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look like it did fail to follow suit on its cup and handle potential. That's okay. I don't think it's looking terrible. I honestly don't. I think I need some confirmation of some things. So I'm going to move this level down. We broke through it, but it is finding new support. Okay. So I think right now we're supporting at about 132, right? You can probably feel good about that if you've been watching. Okay. 132 is there. I like it. A little bit of slope action going on. Let's confirm that. Let's see how many touches we get. Okay. Not too bad. We're breaking out of that. This is the 4 hour. Okay. We need a culmination of a bounce off this bad boy, and we need to see some nice steam pick up. Volume's been pretty low. Excuse me, proportionally. Okay. It's trading at about 30% of its daily average. Sellers they're dying. Okay. There's less sellers in the volume. Less seller volume. Looks good, man. RSI. Okay. It's pretty low. Makes sense. Momentum. Again. Sellers are dying, okay? Bears were strong, pretty strong negative momentum. It is dying, but be cognizant because it can pick right back up. That's where you got to use risk mitigation. Be careful. I do like it on the 4 hour. I like the potential that it has, but it's too premature to say that like it's looking very bullish. We need to bounce off this. We need some, you know, continual bullish momentum, okay? And in my opinion, okay, I think going forward, if we can break right here, and I need to look back a little bit, 225. Let's take a look back at the max. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. If we can break 225, this thing has a lot of room to run, okay? Oh yeah. If it breaks 225, this thing is running good. Okay, but we need a continuous bullish momentum. And we need to have a breakthrough here. Okay. So there's a couple things I'm looking for. LKCO needs some time. Gosh. It's been down. I'm hoping I'll get back up. I'm holding long after the lockdown is lifted. Smash that light. Smash. Gosh. Okay. You're holding long after the lockdown is lifted. Okay. Gosh. Well, it's good. You have a plan. Okay. You're holding long. You probably have an exit, hopefully. It's been bullish. I think it'll keep being bullish, okay? This is not financial advice. It could keep selling off. I like that it has been supporting my 180-day moving average. The only thing I don't like is that it has broken this sloping support that we did have, and it was sitting so nice along that. But it is what it is. Things change patterns. It's part of the game. We need to get a bounce pretty soon here, okay? And if we don't, it's not the worst thing in the world. But I do like that it's been continuously bullish, okay? The future is in your favor, but more interim, I don't know, okay? The future is in your favor, theoretically speaking. The world's going to reopen. We're going to have oil consumption out the wazoo, okay? Roaring 20 shit. This thing is going to pop. Now, it's an ETF, and it's leveraged. So you got to be very, very careful. These things move like a mug, okay? So be very, very careful with that, and you probably knew that going into it. Let's see if we can bounce. Let's see if we can bounce. I think more interim, right? We're showing a lot of consolidation right now, so it's testing. Let's see what he wants to do next, boss. Let me just draw on level quick. Okay, I think 62 is your, F that case. I think we're floating around about 68, 70. Okay, this general vicinity makes sense. We are really testing that EMA line. I want to see us cross back over it. We attempted to today, the first half of the day, and then we got matched with this big Marabuzo. So I'm a little concerned, but let's see what happens from there, okay? It's bearish right now, but it's not that strong of a bearish momentum, okay? So not too bad. I do like the long or interim term, as in the next few months. By the day, yeah, smash that like. I'm looking to get in the BlackBerry. Oh gosh. Do you think we can see more dip before Friday? Meme stonk. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, man. Let's clear it up. Let's clear it up. Okay. I'm curious. Maybe BlackBerry's doing some good things. I'm just curious what you like about them. Hopefully it's not Wall Street bets. Hopefully you actually like the company. Let's extend that to the left. Okay, absolutely. Nice support. We're on the weekly right now. Let's go to the 4-day. Let me go back to the 1-day. Seeing a little slope action. I want to make sure I can confirm that. Okay. It's kind of there. Let's go to the 4-hour. Okay. I'm not going to try to force this line. I just want to see if it does work. Yeah, so it's kind of a slope there. Let's see if the support's there though, right? I think it is. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna extend these to the left. Let me go back. Okay, got a light show. Try here. Okay. Got a light show. 4-hour. All right. It's been selling off. Okay. I don't want to tell you it's a bull flag pattern, potentially. I don't know if it is. I don't think it really is. I think it needs a touch more up top. But either way, it is finding, this is real right here. I like this dynamic support level. It's real. Okay. After hours today, nice bull green hammer. Okay. Buyers are taking back control. I like that. Your next key area of support is 886. So let's keep that in the back of our pockets. 886. Let's take a look at some other things. Volume. Volumes was trading at about 2/3 of the daily average, which is 12.6 million. The daily average is 21 million. It's trading at 12.6 million. Okay. Seller volume is increasing. RSI is super low. It's been low for a while. Okay, not too bad. Momentum. It's pretty weak, but I'd say it's been weak, like across the board. Okay. Momentum hasn't really been there for this company, so it's a slow mover. Now, I don't know if you're long-term or short-term, but at the very least, not financial advice, me personally, what I would do, I'd wait, okay? It's been continuously selling off. Let's find a nice hard bounce. And I think that's very likely at least 886. Maybe it keeps preferring this channel. It does look like we're already breaking out of it. But 886 is what I like next. If you're looking to get into something, you got to be more patient than not, okay? Be very patient with this bad boy. I think it's still selling off. Okay, we're well below my 9-day EMA, this T line here. There's still you know, pretty strong negative price action. Okay, price action is different than momentum. Just bear that in mind. No pun intended. Smash that like, mother. Guys, if you ain't smashing the like, okay, I'm gonna smash my face. You know it. You want to see it? I think. Hopefully not. Bet. Yeah. Super chat, Angel Bo. Thank you for the support, man. Diamond hands, baby. Woo! Woo! Guys, thank you for the support. If you want to keep supporting, check out the Patreon link, top link of the chat, guys. I got you on trade signals daily throughout the day. All you got to do is look in the chat for Patreons only. Look in there and see what prices I put, right? I do the work for you. All you got to do is have a plan and mitigate risk and be patient, okay? That's all you got to do. You know, it's easier said than done, but at the very least, right, a lot of the front end work's done for you. Stock G in the house. I just saw you, boy. Where you at? Sup, fam? Let's take a look at Bio-Nanogenomics. Been a while. My plan is an entry around 6.8 to 650 long-term hold, absolutely. But if it blasts off, I take profits potentially. Guys, I'm only skipping the Stock G because he is a big supporter of the channel, and he does help manage our private Discord channel. Patreons only, guys. Check the link above Stock G. We're looking at Bio-Nanogenomics, BNGOs. The ticker symbol, guys, I made a video in detail on this company. Go check it out on my channel, okay? Good due diligence. Check it out. I got you covered. Let's talk about it. 6.8, 650. Yeah, dude. Good call. I keep waiting. I got 643 as a key support right now. Let's go back to the Maxi, the Max chart, man. Actually, let's reset, man. Let's get some reps in, baby. We're on the weekly. We're on the daily. Why? Because I'm a fiend. Let's go back to the Max. Yeah. Okay. We charting. We up in here. We in it, boy. Oh, yeah, I like that. 723. Hit me with it. Go back. Hit me with it. It's hit me with it. Bet. I like it. 723 is real, brother. Do we got a slope? We got a little slope action. We hitting ski resort, baby? Nope. Not really. I mean, it's kind of there. We can draw on some other levels. Yeah. Give me the wicks. Give me the shit. Give me the wicks, man. Boom. Let's go across. Hey, we hitting that shit on the money. 993. I like it. Let's go. Weekly's done. 4 hour. Bam. We in it. Okay. This thing's just been consolidating quite a bit. Okay. You fucking turd. Bio-Nanogenomics. I love Bio-Nano. I'm in it long too. I love it. I actually invested in this company around 7. I sold out at 14. Didn't do bad. Double, baby. Here's the thing. I think we're already testing 723, brother. And if we're not, at the very least, I think what's next, right? It's probably generally about that 740 where you're looking to get in, man. You're trying to get this at the best buy possible because you're a machine. Seller volume's increasing, okay? So I'd say fuck out of here. Let them keep selling. Fuck them, dude. RSI super cheap, though. Super cheap, though, man. Momentum, okay? Still negative, okay? So fuck them, dude. Let them keep selling this shit, man. Let's get it cheap, baby. Okay, premature, right? After hours, we did have that green candle, okay? It's a mild candle. Nothing too crazy. We are kind of seeing a story here too, right? With this big red candle here, you can see the bottom wick was pretty strong. So there was a lot of rejection of lower prices. So that's phenomenal. And then the buyers took control to end the day. Can they take and regain control tomorrow? Again, well below my 9 EMA. So price action is still strong for the bears. So fuck them. I think, in my opinion, I think we're going to bounce hard at about where you're trying to enter in at. So let's wait on that bad boy, dude. 680 to 650. Yeah, 650. I think 650 is money. I keep waiting, and let's pay attention to it together, man, because I'll jump in with you, man. Fuck it. I like Bio-Nanogenomics long term. Very, very bullish on this company. They have a phenomenal product and phenomenal opportunity. I think my wife, Kathy Wood's in it. I don't know. Honey! Yeah, I don't know. I think she's sleeping on the money stacks again. I like Bio-Nano. Stock G, guys, go check out Stock G's channel. Fellow YouTuber, 1.5K subscribers. He got you on the DD or the TA, both. He does technical analyses as well, man. He gets fired up. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm lost. We didn't do Neo. All right. Hey, I'm looking to get in the BlackBerry. We did that. Jumia. Tom, I love the pick, man. That's awesome, man. Elvis. We can do Jumia. Give me a little bit and try to reply towards the bottom. What about Jumia, man? You looking to get in? Are you in it now? Are you looking to get out? Long term, short term, what y'all got? Bought more charge point yesterday. Didn't delete the Webull app. I'll check it back in a month or so. Yeah. Dude, you preach, man. I got Robinhood. By the way, fuck Robinhood. I'm transferring all my shit to Webull. There is a promotion going on, guys. And if you want 2 free stomps, check out the link in the description. My affiliate link. Support me, supporting you, baby. But either way, okay? I'm the same way. So I have my very heavy investments. A lot of them are in Robinhood. I swear I haven't opened that shit in like 2 months, man. Fuck that app. Also, fuck that company. So I can't wait till they go public and just the whole world shorts them to death. Short Robinhood. RLX, it was $20 last week. Bought in at 8. Nice, man. iPower. Nice. Is Apple uptrend coming? Analysts have price target to 200. 200 went. Of course. I have a price target of 1,000. It's Apple, baby. It's not going anywhere. What the hell does that mean, man? End of the year? Probably. Let's take a look. Apple ain't going nowhere, man. It's fucking Apple, man. This company's... Where's it going, man? Where's it going? Okay? Let me draw something in for you real quick, man. You see this right here, man? What does that look like, man? You see the shape? You see the shape, man? Let me show you what it looks like, man. Alright, let me show you how Apple's going, man. Alright, man? Let me show you this shit, man. Moon! It's going to the fucking moon. It's Apple, baby. Where else is it going? This company is disgusting. I think they're the most valued company in the world. Yeah. Over $2 trillion. That's where they going, man. I like Apple. $200? Yeah. It's going to hit $200, okay? I'm not even going to look at it. I don't even need technical analysis. I just need common sense. It's going to $200. Easy money. Is the uptrend coming, though? It's hard to tell, right? It's riding the Nasdaq. It's riding the market a lot. It's a slower mover. It's a very powerful company. It's blue chip, right? FANG. So FANG kind of runs with the market because they're the front runners in the market, right? If FANG does bad, the market does bad. That's how powerful these companies are. So with that being said, yeah, man, is an uptrend coming? It's hard to tell. A little premature, right? I'm on the weekly right now. Let's go to the daily real quick. All right, a lot of consolidation around my moving average, so things aren't looking bad, and it's testing my 180-day too. So I do like that. I have been talking to a lot of people about getting options into Apple, or a lot of my friends are considering it. I'm not a big options guy, but I would never discount Apple. I would never count this company out, okay? Apple's just a tank, man. They're a slow mover, though, so they're more of like a long-term. But I probably wouldn't really trade them just because, the potential's not as great interim. Yo, Slime Gang Gang. Ticker symbol NSPR. Love the hearts. Thank you. Ticker symbol NSPR. Current price 0.66. My average is 106. What do you think about reversal time frame at least 0.85? Woo! You let this thing cut in half on you? Shit, man. Let's take a look. NSPR. What was your exit? What was your exit strategy, man? Don't let it sell on you like that, man. Looks like a Head and Shoulders already. Max, boom. You're on Inspire MD Inc. Okay, man. Okay, the weekly, I can't look at that. Why? Because it's too fucking much. Here's the 1 day, balling. So, current price is 0.66. Let me draw on your current price and we'll take over real quick. And guys, if you know how to type this in, I think there's a way you can type in the price. I can get them accurate for you guys. Extend to the left. Edit properties. Okay, man. Where you at, man? You like pink? Let's go pink. So 0.66, that's where you're at. Oh, you're saying that's where it's at. Shit, your average is 106. My bad. Let's move that up. There it is. Cool, that was easy. Just learned it like that. So, okay. What do you think of the reversal time frame at least 85? Oh, so how soon do I think it can get to 85? It really depends. Here's what worries me. Okay. Just being real. Okay. We're sitting on a, ascending Head and Shoulders pattern. Okay. A little concerning. Why? Because this is a reversal pattern. Okay. You enter into a positive momentum, you come out of it negative. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. It's just an observation. There's plenty of things we can observe here, right? We can draw on some slopes, and I do really like the slope on this bad boy. Okay, I can eyeball it, and it looks phenomenal. It's been following suit for a hot minute. So give me a second here. Let me see if I can get that bad boy in. It's not as easy as you think, and there is a strategy to it. You can't just like draw it in. You gotta, I mean, you can just like draw it in, but you wanna do a good job. All right. That was pretty alright. So let me draw on one right here too. Okay, it's been very negative, right? Here's my 2 cents. Okay, I ain't seeing shit there. My bad. Okay, my 2 cents is I like this sloping support. That's real. Okay, that sloping support is doing things for you. It needs to follow suit for me one more time as it has historically. Okay, so history's in our favor, especially more interim. I need this sloping support to follow suit for us. This is big money. Okay, it's hit so many fucking times. It's real sloping support. Try to draw it in on your own time. I like it there. If we break this sloping support, we got to worry a little bit, okay? Because we got to think about, you know, where's my horizontal at next, right? I think you got one around 0.43. That's way down there, okay? I'm just drawing in kind of the worst case. I want to see if 0.51 extend to the left, okay? Yeah, I like that one, about 0.53, 57. Okay, so, you know, either way, for our sloping supports there, we need to balance out this bad boy. We need to. It's going to be very good for us because it's going to be following suit with this as it always has been, more interim, like for months, okay? And it will also essentially tell us that we are likely out of this, right? The head and shoulders didn't follow suit. That is great news. That is great news, okay? Let's see what could happen. Let's see what could happen. You can see it's just been kind of consolidating based on my 180 moving average. We need to see what happens, but just get your stop losses ready, okay? Just, you know, you gotta be ready because it's already essentially cut in half since you got in. And again, I'm not trying to be pessimistic. Just trying to help you out, right? If you're already going to lose 60%, let's not lose 80%. You know, that's kind of what I'm saying in my head. Let's really watch this sloping support. Please draw on the sloping support, set price alerts, and go from there, okay? Let's go. Oh, let's look at some other things real quick, okay? Seller volume is slightly decreasing, but it's still taking over. It's still there. It's still real. RSI is low. Makes sense. Momentum, okay? Momentum is pretty flat. That's good. That's good. That's premature signs of consolidation. It's not that strong momentum, and it's flat. It looks good. But, you know, based on my moving average, right, my EMA, we're still below it. So we're still kind of bearish. Let me scroll down real quick. See Sarah G's here. Welcome, welcome. Smash that like, guys. Let's go. Come on. Come on. If you guys are interested in daily trade signal call outs, okay, from your boy, and this isn't that weak shit. This is like, it's going 80 up. It's going up 80% today, okay? All right? You want some proof? Let's get the proof out, man. They ain't ready for it. They ain't ready for the proof. Let me show you one I called out. 8:52 a.m. yesterday. TGGI. So what? I said yesterday, right? 8:52 a.m. yesterday. I'm going to go right to that spot. 8:55 yesterday, right here. I called this out. Right here, man. This is what you give to Patreon, man. Okay? Where we at today, man? Plus 90%? Okay. Oh, but we closed lower. Okay, we still have 45%, man. You want the money or not, man? It's up to you, man. Okay? We calling out the goods. It's up to you. That's just a plug. I'm trying to help y'all make money. I'm going to change up the channel a little bit, okay? I like Neo, but we're going to make you guys some money, okay? Ain't fucking around. We're trying to grow together. I want to help you guys learn. I want to show you how to trade. I want to show you how to get some good wins. I want to get you some good wins, okay? None of it's financial advice, though. You got to execute. I'm only here to kind of, you know, provide some guidance, but you got to execute. It's all on you. But I'm here for you, and that's what you get as a patron. Check it out. Link above in the chat. You missed my question, bro. I bought Neo at 57, so I'm down at the moment. Do you think it? I didn't miss your question. I answered it, boss. You gotta listen. You gotta turn up the. So if you have a phone, turn up the volume. If you have a TV, turn up the volume. Okay. If you have AirPods, turn up the volume. All right. If you have a hearing aid, turn up the volume. Neo piped me dry today. Yeah, same, man. Forward uptrend coming soon or downtrend. It's around 12. It has been there 3 or 4 separate times in the past. Forward uptrend? Never heard of forward. Like usually when I hear forward, it's F. Let's check it out, man. So, uptrend coming soon or downtrend? Depends. So they're in the Nasdaq, okay. Nasdaq's been selling off. We gotta be very careful about that. Volume's pretty low. It's lower than I like to trade. I like to trade at least 1 million. But either way, it doesn't matter. Volume's about half of the daily average, okay? Your average is usually around 436,000, and today we traded about half that, okay? So volume is pretty low, but that's okay. It's been low for a while, actually. Buyer volume was in control most of today. It looks good, man. Really nice reversal here. Actually, this is starting to look even better. I'm going to show you why. RSI, okay, RSI is creeping up. Good, good. Momentum, nice pull up of momentum here for the bears. Sorry for the bulls. I like that. Okay, we're on the 4-hour chart, by the way, boss. Well, let me see some things here for you. Now, I want to see if this is here. If this is here, boy, we're shitting good, man. Let's go to the max. All right, 272. I like it. Let's validate it. It's already validated. We've touched it more than 3 times. That's validation for me. Yes, it's following suit. I like it. I like it, man. Let's go on a little bit closer here. Let me see if this is here. 365. Okay. Oh, yeah. Is she there, man? She there. Oh, yeah. She there right there, too, man. 365, 272, horizontal levels. I like it. Now I think I'm seeing a sloping resistance here, man. If this is it, man. This thing's cooking a little bit. Okay. The only thing I like to see though is volume pick up. That's my only concern, and I'm talking proportionally, right? Volume's low net overall, but you know if it exceeds well beyond the average of 400,000, let's say volume gets like 2 million out of nowhere, this thing could run pretty nicely. You have a Yeah, I mean, I'm seeing a sloping support here, okay? It's there. I see it, okay? We are approaching it right now. So be cognizant of that. We could see rejection, but if we break through that, right? And if we break through the sloping support, watch it. Let's see what happens. I want momentum to pick up, okay? I want a culmination of volume picking up. Those are my confluences. Next one is we need to break 365. If we break 365, I think we're going to have bullish continuation, potentially, okay? Again, depends on the other confluences, and this thing can shoot pretty nicely up, okay? Next stop for you is likely going to be around $3.99, $4. Get a quick little scalp opportunity, wait for about confirmation, get in and out, 6% gain. But yeah, your question was more right. Is it reversing soon? Yeah, I think so, right? It does look like it. It's curtailing up nice. We had essentially premature signs of confirmation of a price reversal here. Okay, this thing is very bullish today. I like it, man. I don't know where you got the 12. Okay, unless you were actually talking about forward. You were, weren't you? Okay. Well, you know what, guys? Ticker symbol FORD doesn't look too bad either, okay? NEO $100, 2022. January 1st, yeah, 2022. 150 shares at 38. Nice, dude. BFT. Cool. I bought NEO a while ago at 45. I'm so confident in the company. I don't bother looking at it. Yeah, I don't even look either. Why? Because it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna help myself looking at the shit. Oh, it's down today. Cool. Sounds good. Okay, I'm not selling it for 2 years at least, so I ain't stressing. It's fine. I'm sticking to my plan. It's called discipline. MBIS should be shooting up in April, revealing their LiDAR technology. Ooh, I like LiDAR, man. LiDAR is phenomenal. Check out my company, Luminar Laser. I like that company, man. Max. Let's go. All right. Ooh, a little bit reverse head and shoulders, all right? But yeah, I kind of broke out of it, unfortunately. Potential sloping support here. Okay. Oh, yeah. Maybe. Hold up. And I am on the 4-hour. Okay, this might change if you change your aggregation period, as you would expect. Okay, a little bit of sloping support there. All right, not too strong, but it's there. Okay, we're touching it multiple times. I need this to bounce off. Okay, I need confirmation of that. Let's break $14. 15.8 is our next stop. I do like the LiDAR though. Good job on your due diligence. What is that picture? Is that the album cover for Mac Miller's album? I think it is. I know Mac Miller, man. I like it, man. Good taste. Low lows. Personal opinion on low. So I like low. I think Lowe's is gonna I think they're gonna pop when the world reopens. Okay, if they haven't already through the pandemic, shit. I like Lowe's. Okay, Lowe's is great. Long term, look at them. They remind me of Home Depot so much. They just ate up the global pandemic. Okay, they were very fortunate that people didn't have shit to do at home except for buy wood and build shit. So they kind of took off from there. So I like Lowe's. I do. I'm very bullish on Lowe's. I like them long term. Okay, dividends. So it's a good company. They recover nicely, right? Nice little comeback king. It has been kind of just consolidating across the board the last couple of months, but that's fine. It's still net overall bullish, especially long term. I like them long term. It's a heavy share price though. You probably want to invest in something like this instead of trade. Not financial advice. I like to go lower in share price, one, because it's more affordable to most people, right? I'm sure not everybody can just load up on a bunch of shares of Lowe's, so unless maybe you entertain options or whatnot. Cool. Let's go. Raytel, good to see you, man. Can you look at SLNO? Yeah, man. What you need, though? What you want about it? I'm going to look at it quick because I know what you're looking for. Okay? Looks like a gap down like a tank. Okay. I'm on the weekly, okay? It's cheap. It has really nothing but upside. So this is good. This is good, okay? It needs to find support in a hurry. It has nothing but upside. There's a lot of opportunity here. Okay, I like it. But it needs to confirm a bounce. Okay, and if it does, man, it has nothing but upside. It's very, very cheap right now. Very, very cheap. I'd like to move this up just a little bit. All right, let's go, baby. Okay, it's about 134, 133, right? It smashed off that bad boy hard. A lot of consolidation. Curl tailed back up, boom, and then it said, "Now I'm selling off, still bet. Fuck the market." And now it's potentially testing again. Looks like it is consolidating prematurely. I need it to bounce off here, okay? Very significant. Very, very significant. Seller volume has been decreasing, but it is dominant, okay? So take that with a grain of salt, but volume is picking up. It's cooking right now, okay? But that could be seller volume, and it does look like it is. RSI, as you can imagine, cheap. Okay, momentum indicator, let's go. Pretty weak price momentum, okay? But it is favoring the bears right now, and it is dying a little bit. I'd argue it's a little more consolidating, so that's good. The flatter these bars become is essentially signs of consolidation for the price momentum. Let's wait a little bit for this bad boy. I think it needs to bounce off, right? And then you have a couple stops on the way up. Next major one is arguably about 1.5. Let's draw that across, validate it, right? We've had 2 touches there. Let's go to the max. Let's go to the 1 day at least. Oh yeah, 1.5. So, quick little scalp play here. Not too bad. I want to wait until, let's go to the 1 hour, right? Let's wait for confirmation, right? You can already see this premature signs of consolidation. Let's wait for confirmation about my EMA line here. That probably puts us at about a 1.4. Let's jump in, get out, get a quick scalp, get your 7% and run just before that 1.5. Not financial advice, but I think everything is in your favor. There's nothing but really upside for this, okay? Your reaction to BlackBerry. I gotta give him shit, okay? Maybe I don't want to offend anybody. I'm just saying I'm not a big meme stock guy. If there's opportunity though, then take it. And that's what he's looking for. I'm guaranteeing you, right? I don't think he's an investor. I doubt it. Is it right? I made a video the other day about AMC. I fucking hate AMC. I fucking hate GameStop. Fuck all those companies. But if they made me money, okay, that's just an extra fuck you to them. So I'm cool. Was a minute late on selling my 145 put today and watched it rise after hours on GME. Oh my gosh, you had to put on GME. You are the man. Fuck GME. This stupid ass company. Okay. I love the excitement around earnings like it's a really good company or something. Like, what do you mean? This company's stupid as hell. This company has a market cap of 12 billion and they generated 2 billion in revenue. What? Okay, yeah, okay, guys. No, I do like the movement. I like saying fuck you to the whales, the short sellers. I love that. Fuck the hedge funds. Okay, I love that they ate that up. Okay, I mean, fuck the ones that don't do the good things. So I like that. I like this whole initiative. I like it. I like retail investors, having fun with the game. But I feel really bad for these people, right? I feel really bad for the innocent people that don't know what the fuck they're doing. and then they lose a shit ton of money. So you have a put 145. You're a minute late. Oh, keep holding it, man. You're a minute late. What? Wait, your strike was 145? You mean early? Oh, you sold a put. You didn't buy a put, right? So it's essentially... Okay, I might be overthinking this. I don't know a lot about options. To me, a put is essentially you're shorting it. Okay? I think it's recovering a little bit right now, okay? Pretty big green candle after our session today. It sold off like a tank. I'm glad it did because people woke the fuck up. But either way, right? Knowing what this thing has done historically, it's probably at a good buy. Not financial advice at all, especially with GME, okay? If you have fuck you money that you don't care about, if you have a quick $120, right? And you just want to go to the casino, you know, maybe throw it in because you've seen what this thing does, right? I mean, it does its thing, man. It does its thing. It's been floating around $200 for a while. You know, it's just absolutely absurd, but hey, it's money. If you have absolutely no care in the world, if you're ready to throw $120 into a fire pit, okay, then why not, you know, it's a gamble, but hey, you see when it's done historically, can it keep on keeping on? Maybe. I think retail investors are starting to fizzle out a little bit. But, you know, I said that also a couple weeks ago, and it still ran up to $300 again somehow. So this damn stock, it's wild, okay? Fucking GME, fuck that company, fucking garbage. What about MP? It sold off more than any other stock. Than any other stock? It only sold out 10%, man. I don't know, man. GME sold off 34%, man. Any other? Maybe. Let's take a look. Sloping support. It's finding support right now. I can already tell on the 4-hour. This is the 4-hour chart. Okay. Nice sloping resistance, right? Or sorry, support. And it's a nice one, right? It's touched multiple times. It's there. It's been validated, right? Multiple times. Boom, 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 right? 4 times. I'm not even in the main area yet. 5, 6, 7, okay? The sloping support is key. I like it. I think it's bouncing out very nicely, right? We have premature signs of a bullish reversal here. There's a name for this. I don't remember. Right, I'm still learning candlesticks myself. But this looks like, it's not tweezers. It's, I can't remember. It looks like a double candlestick reversal pattern. But let's take a look at it. Let's see what happens. But, you know, buyers did dominate and take over after hours today. I want to look at the 1 day real quick. Yeah, nice little push up here. Saw some rejection at about, you know, $35. Then we kind of chilled off after that. Well, let's see what happens. I think it's bouncing nicely. I like MP. Okay, looks pretty good. I really like the sloping support though. It's giving me a lot of confidence with this company going forward. I think there's nothing but upside, assuming that it is following suit, and it hasn't confirmed a bounce, but it is bouncing. Okay, right? Present tense. Smash that like button, motherfucker. Smash it, guys. Smash it before I smash my face. And I'll do both. That's fine. Whatever. MVIS will rock it tomorrow. I want to take a look because I've been hearing about this. Okay. I think we already covered this today. If not, I've been personally watching it. Oh, we did cover this tonight. Short-term memory. Will it rock it tomorrow? Maybe. I don't know why, but yeah, maybe it will. Let's take a look at the news. Announces retirement of board member. Okay, so they had a board member retire, so that's not good typically. Let's see here. They belong to the Nasdaq, so okay, there's a chance maybe the Nasdaq will surge. Let's look at the Nasdaq real quick. I want to talk about the market, guys. And I was gonna make a video today. I'll make it probably tomorrow or sometime very soon, probably this weekend. I'm going to show you guys how we can make money on these bloody days because there are phenomenal ways to do so, okay? Phenomenal ways. They work 10 times out of 10. You just got to, of course, everything works if you allow it to work, if you mitigate risk and you have a plan. Nasdaq, okay? I hate that we didn't follow suit with this head and shoulders, man. I hate it. I thought this thing was going to fucking pop, man. I was so excited. Right? Head and shoulders, clear head and shoulders, or inverse head and shoulders. Sorry, guys. Right? It's sitting there, and it's a reversal pattern, right? So we enter into it with negative momentum, do our head and shoulders thing, exit out probably about here with nice bullish momentum. but you know, didn't give a fuck, so that's cool. And treasury bonds are down, okay, so that's even better. Here's what I've been reading, high level. Essentially, the market is very volatile right now because it's kind of getting ready for the next few months that are coming. So volatility is there, right? It's getting ready for, it's going to be fucking crazy this summer, guys. I'm telling you, this market is going to be insane. I'm not saying it's going to be bullish as hell, all right? More than likely, but it's going to be insane. So the market is going through a lot of pre-anticipatory consolidation, volatility. It's expected. You'll see this across the board. Now, the Nasdaq is susceptible to this more than any of them because it's more volatile. There's more growth stocks in it, okay? There's more tech stocks. And then you have the culmination of the bonds. However, if I refer to like the Dow Jones Industrial Average, right? It's going to keep cruising up, right? Because this represents more of the comeback, right? This is more retail, big companies, oil, banks, okay? That's what the Dow Jones represents. Same with the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in the United States, okay? So look at it that way. Why did I type in S&P? We can type in SPY, right? SPY is a little more volatile, makes sense, right? It's susceptible to it much, much more. But the Dow is just, you know, powerhousing. S&P's been kind of cruising as well. Nasdaq, it's more volatile, makes sense. So bear that in mind. That's kind of what I've been reading about, right? You're probably like, well, the bonds are still low. Yeah, actually, the bonds dropped 4 basis points today, the 10-year Treasury yield. So, you know, it's not all about the bonds. I think the bond thing was such a fucking overreaction anyways. It's ridiculous. And it's unfortunate that we all just suffer as growth in tech investors, but it is what it is. But either way, that's kind of my 2 cents on the market, and that is a high level of essentially what's going on. It's essentially cooking. It's getting ready, right? It's going to be very, very volatile. There's a lot of investments. There's a lot of big whales and investors and firms and everything else. They're shifting their portfolios around. Money is getting spread very thin right now because all this fucking stimulus money. And all these fucking SPACs, dude, they're killing the market. Okay, they are. Seriously, SPACs are cool. I get it, but they're killing the market. There's too many damn SPACs. Look at it from a high level. The more companies you add to the exchange, right? With the culmination of growing retail investors, with the culmination of a lot more funds available to be trading with, all that shit flying in, you're spreading out the wealth, right? That's why I've been trying to tell my NEO investors, guys, that NEO, right? And NEO's fine, okay? But my point is, a lot of these growth stocks, heavy NEO companies with like real value, okay? They're getting siphoned, right? Retail investors are splitting from it. They're leveling out. They're peanut butter spreading because they're going to these other stupid ass hype stocks that don't make any fucking sense. And they're getting away from the true value companies, and the value companies suffer because of it, because of that stupid shit. But it is what it is. It's a new world we're in. Things always normalize. We just got to be patient through the volatility. Smash that like button, mother. Moon gang. All right. I'm back. Wanted to know about MP. Will you check it? Bought it for 30-day. Hold at 37 after crash, but it kept on crashing. Bought for 30-day, hold at 37. Okay, guys, you got to mitigate risk, man. You guys, man, seriously, if you want some help, okay, check out the Patreon link above, okay? I got to plug it because I want to help you guys, but, you know, obviously I got to give a lot of my time for that, and I'm very passionate about helping people, especially from a broad spectrum. That's where we have the live stream. That's why you have the videos that I make. But if you want more focused learning, focused help, that's where I'm here for you. That's what the Patreon benefits get you. Check the link in the chat. But the point I want to make here is, right, don't keep holding it, all right? What's your exit plan? If you got in and it's not doing your thing, all right? If it breaks your target exit plan, get out, move on to the next. It's fine. Oh, I lost 2%. Cool. Move on, because now you're back holding. You don't know what's going to happen, right? Even if your plan's a 30-day hold, as soon as you break your plan at all, if it's 2 hours into the 30-day plan, get out, okay? Get out. Keeps on. See, you held it for. Okay. Now, Arnold, Okay, don't think I'm beating on you. I'm just trying to coach you. That's all it is, man. Just from a high level, make sure you execute. Okay, I know it sucks. Damn it, I'm down $20 today. I'm down $30 today, and I'm only 2 days into my 30-day plan. That's fine. Okay, because then that 20 and 30 might turn to 50 and 60. Okay, so which one would you rather have? Now, again, you always got to assume worst case, and again, you just got to be robotic, execute, go, move on to the next. There's that next stock that'll potentially help you recover, but that opportunity cost is lost the longer that you bag hold. Anyways, done harping. Here's what I like. Okay, I think you already heard this point because I'm way behind in the comments. This thing is bouncing nicely. It's looking really good. And I think that dynamic, please draw on this dynamic support because that shit is very real, man. It's very strong too. Things are looking in your favor prematurely, okay, boss? If that makes you feel any better from a technical standpoint. Let's be very careful. What we having? Jerry, what do you mean what we having? Should I drink tonight? You guys want me to drink tonight? Let me see it below in the chat. Skills, mistakes, thank you. That is a phenomenal way to ask for a stock. Holy shit, I'm behind. Okay, skills. Let's go, baby. Mistakes. I like mistakes. Welcome back to the channel. Smash that like button, baby. Smash. Hold on, let me check the likes real quick, man. I'm going to see if you guys are even hitting that shit. You ain't hitting it. You ain't hitting that shit. Come on. I want 70. I want 70 right now, okay? I'm going to sit here and chill until I get there. All right, 70. Come on. I'm going to puff this 70 times until we get to 70. Where we at? Where we at? Smash the like. I want 70. 68. Two more. Two more. You guys hit 70? I'm going to take a pull of that rum. I don't know why I just signed up for that shit. Fuck. That was dumb. All right, guys, don't get 70 likes, please. Fuck, 71. We're in it. Fucking savages, man. All right, we're in it. Guys, I don't know what this is. Okay, my buddy bought this for me. I know what it is, but I'm scared. Look at this shit. This thing looks like it looks like the B word, the 4-letter B word, man. I don't want to say it out loud, especially on a live stream. I want Homeland Security in my ass. Let's check this out. I can't get it open. Oh, well. It's open. God. Oh, man, that's gasoline. That's gasoline, brother. Let's take a look at skills. I like skills long term. Okay. It's selling off hard right now, but either way, I'm very bullish on skills, man. Eat this up. You ain't going to get this much cheaper for a while. Proportionately. It can keep selling off. Hold on. Fuck. Oh, wow. That's really good. Oh, shit. Got the 12-year. Right. Don't fuck around with that shit. It just got a tag on it, okay? This the good shit, man. It was a gift. I don't spend money on liquor like this. I'm not trying to act like rich and bougie and shit, okay? I get by, but shit, I ain't flexing. That was a phenomenal gift, good friend. Housewarming gift. Skills, I like it. Here's my opinion on skills, and actually I'm gonna put this on my personal watch list because I think I'm gonna load the boat. Let me get a pen. Skills, guys, it's in a growth sector, okay? Online gambling, it's in your favor. I love online gambling. I think it's going to do very well. And it's, as you can imagine, it's more volatile around major sporting events, right? You got March Madness, Super Bowl, the Masters, maybe. Maybe. I like skills, thank you. Looks good, man. Okay. I think it's still selling off, right? It's pretty bearish right now. Fuck these levels because we're below them. It's pretty bearish, okay? Well below my EMA. We got a cute little green guy down here, but that doesn't mean shit. I need a confirmed bounce. Okay, volume is looking great, okay? But it's mostly seller volume, as you can imagine, right? Seller volume has been increasing. People are selling the stock. Makes sense, and that's why volume is going up. It's essentially double the daily average. RSI, though, here's what I like, and here's why I added it to my watch list. I've been wanting to get in skills for a while, and I want to get in cheap. Guys, I'm loading the fucking boat, okay? Fuck all the weak hands out there, okay? That's fine, okay? Because I'm going to be laughing to the bank in a couple months. The market is selling off. Is Neo ever going to get back to $60? Okay, yeah, dude, I'm going to make a video. I'm going to replay this live stream. I'm going to grab clips and people freaking out. And then I'm going to be like, hey, man, it's at 180 right now. Where we at, dog? Check it out. Momentum increasing, okay? Cool, good. Keep increasing. Fuck off. I'm getting this cheap. I love skills. I love it long. I love it strong. I think our next area, we bounce, okay? Nope, broke that shit. I think it's going to be about $18. Oh, yeah, that's a very significant support level. We broke through 21.5. Let's get to 18 next. I'm going to wait for a confirmed bounce either way before I hop into this bad boy, and I'm going to hold it long term, okay? It's going to be a couple months for me. I really like skills. I'm really glad that it's getting cheap for your boy, like a lot of stonks. Is 9 to 5 on Webull now, or does he use Thinkorswim? I use Thinkorswim. I like Webull. But I like Thinkorswim more. So I'm actually, guys, this isn't really a plug at all. So it's not, because I don't get anything for this. I'm not affiliated. I have an affiliate link with Webull, and please, if you want to use it, go ahead. You get 2 free stocks. You got nothing to lose. Okay? Check out my affiliate link in the description. Either way, with Webull, they're doing a promotion right now. They sent me an email. They said they're doing this transfer promotion. It's tight, man. So basically, you have certain tiers. Like, there's tiers, and it says, like, however big your portfolio is, here's whatever, and I'll just show it to you guys. But basically, you can transfer all your money from a brokerage over to Webull, and they give you a bunch of free stocks for doing it. So this is my fuck you to Robinhood, because I fucking hate Robinhood. So I'm going to transfer all my shit to Webull. Let's go, baby. So I'm about it. I'm about it, baby. But yeah, that's just, see, it's just info. I'm not plugging it. I'm just telling you, like, there's opportunity if you want to change it up, and you know, why not? You get free stonks. Okay. Let me grab a screenshot for you, and then we'll keep moving on. Okay, pretty cool, right? Again, I'm not getting paid to show this. I promise, right hand to God, I'm not getting paid. I just want to encourage it, because I think it's a good opportunity, especially if you've been entertaining, you know, switching things up, right? So whatever tier you're in, however big your account value is, this is the best one right here, 25,000, because you get 25 free stocks. It's fucking cool. But and if there's a transfer fee for getting out of, you know, shitty Robinhood, which there probably is, because those guys are fucking troglodytes. I'm still gonna say fuck you. I'm gonna get out of there, transfer all my money to Webull, because they actually have charts and shit where I can actually make money instead of just sitting there. So yeah, man, that's I think it ends the end of this month, I believe. So you gotta go quick. VO Noob, thank you for the sickest TA stream, baby. Smash that like. Sniper, might get a good catalyst from Biden's infrastructure. Sarah, welcome. Sorry I got to you late. I did see your chat, you know, half an hour ago. that's Volta Charchi, right? Let's take a look. Yeah, so good. So Sarah, I'm gonna step back here. We have the infrastructure bill tomorrow. I totally forgot about that catalyst. Fuck. Okay, so guys, infrastructure bill is getting announced tomorrow. This is an announcement, but you know the market's gonna react. Every reaction isn't every reaction is an overreaction. The stock market. Okay. With that being said, I'm going the Forex. Just kidding. Actually, I might. But either way, you know, right? Good catalyst. So if you're looking at materials, be careful. Materials could explode, or they could, you know, regress. I think materials, you want to put some material stocks on your watch list for tomorrow. Okay, that catalyst is substantial. There will be such a disgusting overreaction, right? Because the overreactive part is that nothing actually happened yet, right? But people hear news like infrastructure is getting cut in half or it's doubling. I'm telling you guys, like the raw materials, right? Lumber, metals, sand, cows, you know, just kidding. All right, raw materials should do phenomenal tomorrow, assuming that is proportionately favorable, right? Or, you know, say it's positive correlation. I don't know. SPACs are getting torn up, though. Yeah, fuck SPACs. I like SPACs. I like the concept. I think it's just kind of overdone right now. It's just, there's too many. Like, come on, calm down now. Calm down. What's up, 9 to 5 in the house, Jay Rizzle? You better be smashing that like, Jay Rizzle. Yo, Danish, hey, guess what? You know what's gonna not make me want to do this, right? Did you figure it out yet? Okay, cool. Today was my second worst day I've ever had. Yeah, I don't look at the account. I actually would have been doing. I would have done decently trading. I gave you guys a lot of good, all my Patreons, I gave you guys a lot of good signals today, so hopefully you ate that up. If you didn't, it's fine. I'll still give you probably another 50% upside signal tomorrow. You guys are going to fucking eat. I guarantee you that, okay? You guys are going to get fed, spoon-fed, hot stomps. Now, unfortunately, I can't trade like you guys because my life isn't as liquid, okay? Why? What does that mean? Because I work a 9-to-5 job, and the thing is, my job is very particular. Okay, it's not like I don't have a flexible job, right? It's not like I can't wear jeans to work. It's not like I can't be on my phone, but I can't be on my phone. Okay, I'm very busy and I have a lot of meetings. Okay, I don't need to justify it. I just can't be on my phone. Okay, it's not like someone's breathing down my neck. I'm breathing down my own neck. All right, so we'll get back to it eventually. But in the meantime, I'm gonna at least spitball you guys some opportunities that I wish I could have had because I want you guys to eat because you guys are my Patreons. Let's go, baby. If you guys are interested, link at the top of the chat. Yeah, worst day I've ever had, Jared. But guess what? You're in the Discord, so you know you get the hookup. Bro, stonks. Rose's duty looking great. I love that picture. Welcome, Rose. Sehan Yapa Bandera. G-Fee. Cool. I don't know what that means. GGIM, please. Ionis, I got you covered. Give me a little more. What about it? It's not that I don't want to help you. Just help me help you further, okay? What about it, guys? Give me more than 4 symbols. You guys have been noticing a trend here, right? I'm doing the stocks that people like to elaborate on, okay? Right? Vio Noob. I like Vio. Vio's been giving me a cool shout out. He's been saying he loves my TA. Okay, Vio. I usually look for a little more in the comments about a stock, but guess what, Vio? I got you. Okay, you've been supporting the channel tonight. I appreciate it, boss. Okay, looks bad. Just kidding. So this company's pretty new, right? 3.8. So they went IPO what 2 weeks ago? Right, is my math right there? Either way, right? Let's go to the 4-hour. Boom, baby. Still selling off. Looks like it is, kind of bouncing right now. It's really hard to do technicals on something that's so new. Not that the technicals don't exist; they're just not as strong. Okay, typically speaking. We can draw on some key levels and kind of go from there, but that's about it, boss. Okay, you gotta take all this with a grain of salt because that's all we have is grains of salt, man. There's just really not a whole lot there. Such a new company, right? You can see we're rejecting right now after our session off about 8:15. Let's let it keep running, baby. And it's got a lot to run. It's got a lot of movement left, but again, it's an identity crisis right now. It's identifying itself. It might create new support and resistance levels on this way to this new or this previously identified support level that could become a new resistance, right? It might find some stuff in between here because it's such a new company. It's going through an identity crisis. So that's my only concern with new IPOs. Okay, let's let it run a little bit. Let's see what can happen. I like to wait for IPOs to kind of dissolve or kind of run out and normalize for a while, and then I like to jump in, right, when I can find clear patterns, from a horizontal standpoint, whatever it may be. So let's go, baby. He doesn't like the spam. Yeah, I don't. Is he still spamming? Okay, good. Maybe he's figuring it out. Thank you, Jared. Bot MP at 37, but where does the bleed stop? 34. Okay, let's take a look. I think MP's been asked like 10 times today. Guys are faded. What about MP, man? Why do you guys like MP? I don't know a lot about this company. Here's the thing, though, right? What I just say about that catalyst tomorrow, right? This might be one you want to have on your list. I like the support, okay? The bleeding, it's got a band-aid on it, okay? But that band-aid might burst open, so be careful, okay? As an analogy, though, the bleeding's got a band-aid, okay? All right? A lot of volume today, and it was mostly seller volume. Volume was about 4x the daily average. That is substantial. I'm gonna add MP to my list because I think we have a substantial catalyst around any raw materials, right? MP materials, right? If I had to guess, this is a company with materials. So I don't know what materials, but I'll do my due diligence. But my assumption is, right, the band-aid is on. Okay, we got match 2 Marabuzos here chilling. Okay. I like the green matching the red. It's saying, fuck out of here. Buyers did take over to end the day. Can they keep on keeping on? Let's break this EMA line, please. Okay. And like I said, when I was talking about this, momentum is dying for the bears, but it's still strong, and it doesn't mean it can't keep on keeping on. RSI is super low proportionally, so it is at a pretty phenomenal buy proportion to the last 180 days, but it doesn't mean it can't get at an even better buy. Let's watch what happens. Selling puts is bullish buying. Okay, I thought so. That's what I was thinking too. Okay, thanks, Martin, for confirming. I was like, wait, you sold a put Okay, so you were long, not short. Okay. Okay. Thank you for confirming. Yeah, I'm way behind on chats. Yeah, buy put shorting. Okay, thank you. Stonkies, double bottom, tweezer bottom. What do you think would be a good buy for ACXC? Smash that like button, baby. Where we at? Bought at $1-ish. Looking to buy more at a low price. Okay, good. Thank you, Ed. Let's take a look. Okay. Yeah, you can tell I went a little crazy on this. Okay. You bought at $1-ish? Oh my gosh, did you really? Good job. I think a good buy is, so a good buy proportionally, right? If you're looking for a good buy, you can do a couple things from a high level. RSI right away, right? Go straight to the RSI. Where's it sitting? This tells me the last 180 days, which is about how long you've probably been holding it for. Yeah, if you got it at $1, 30. All right, it's super freaking low, man. It's very oversold, as you can imagine. Let's take a look at momentum next, right? Momentum is picking up. Okay, let's go from there. So, when's the next good buy? I'd say the next time it confirms a bounce, man. Easily. Let's let it keep selling. You know, fuck this thing. I'm gonna eat. Let's let it keep selling. Let's cash out, baby. Or you know, you don't have to cash out, not financial advice. But my point is, what's the best buy? I'd say the next major stop that it has, right? It's still running down. Okay, momentum is picking up for it. It's still bearish right now. Direction is just unclear, but it's more clear in the downward direction more than anything. Let it keep selling off, man. Let it keep selling off. I think a significant phenomenal buy is like 306. If it hits 306, juicy, man. You know, next major stop probably 2.8. There's really not that much more on the way down. I think it is looking to recover. Okay, moving average is appreciating right now. Okay, so it's at a good buy right now proportionally. But let's get at the best buy possible. Let this shit keep selling off. Let's go. Let's eat. Dad, it's called tweezers. Is that what I said? I thought I said tweezers. Martin Gates. What do you think about Torch? I like Torch. Great potential. Okay, I think they're like a Canadian. I had a Patreon share this with me. Yeah, it's a Canadian, some kind of Canadian energy company or something. I like Torch. I do. I like them long term. Phenomenal. Great looking company. Great outlook. I've done high level due diligence on them. Okay. I do like Torch. Yeah, that's sitting nice. So, right, ascending head and shoulders. So be a little bit careful with that. But either way, right, I like Torch. I like them very long term. And again, kind of the same thing here. I'm sure we're gonna see a lot of stocks like this. Premature signs of a bounce, right? We got a little band-aid on there, but it doesn't mean the band-aid can't tear off. But I do like this sloping support here. Okay, generally speaking, you can redraw it if you'd like. I think this one works. We can draw it in at a different level if we need to. It doesn't really matter. But either way, right, I think there's some kind of support here, and it is following suit. Let's see if we can bounce off that bad boy. Hogging down. What's up, brother? I'm glad you got me, baby. I was 2 of the 70 likes. Were you, Jared? Smash. Fucking goon. Jared, my dog. C3AI, stop begging. That's your name? What? Is that a pun? Let me see. Stop begging. Okay. Okay. Cool. Doesn't work. I don't know what C3AI is. Plus, you got to give me a little more, brother. What about C3AR? What program are you using? I'm using Thinkorswim. It's by TD Ameritrade. That is the brokerage. Thinkorswim is the platform, okay? Think or swim. I don't know the name. I don't know how they came up with it. It's weird as shit. My brother, I'm new to the stock world. Okay, you're new to the stock world, and so far I've been doing well in my portfolio. But quick question, your opinion on Palantir? I'm in Palantir right now, baby, and I like it long term. Okay, very undervalued. I like Palantir. Okay, I bought in at, you know, I got fucked by the market too. I think I bought Palantir, yesterday? Where did I buy him at? I think I bought him around this. It was confirming for me. Where the fuck did I buy him? I don't know. It's somewhere down here. Bought him at 23 something. I'm sitting on Palantir right now. I got a couple shares. Okay. It's a long term for me. I like Palantir. In my opinion, assuming the market wasn't, on fucking crack right now, I think Palantir is easily doubled by summer. Easily. Okay. I've done my due diligence on this company. Very, very secure, super subsidized, government backing. They're fine. Phenomenal contracts, phenomenal opportunity. Okay. Palantir's great. Okay. CEO looks like a crack baby. That's my opinion. You want to see him real quick? Okay. Terminator. Let's check him out, man. Let's check him out, man. My boy. Okay, guys. Ladies that are in this live stream right now. Men. Okay. This is mostly to the men. Okay, ladies. You got to calm down before I pull this man out. You got to just got to calm down. Okay, I know what this man can do. Okay, he's a womanizer. And guys, if your girlfriends, if you're with them right now, your wives, right, baby mamas, whatever, you're watching the live stream right now together, okay, you better put her in the other room, okay, before I get this man's out. You better put her in the other room. I'm okay. Here's your warning. All right. Guys, just please listen to me, man. I'm just looking out. Please, guys, because when I get this man out, okay, it's game time. Look at this fucking machine right here. This is Jason Bourne, CEO of Palantir, okay? Hide your kids, hide your wife. He's around the corner, okay? This guy's pheromones is cologne, okay? He needs a haircut though. Fuck. $20 Walmart sunglasses, V-neck, okay? This guy doesn't fuck around, okay? He pounds the hardest sand. Alex Karp, aka Jason Bourne, aka Womanizer. Watch out for this man, ladies, okay? He's right around the corner. He is a slayer. Look at this man, okay? Where do you think Palantir is going? Where do you think he's going? This is all you need. You don't even need to do due diligence. This is your due diligence. Google search Alex Karp images, okay? Make sure your wife and girlfriend is not in the room, okay? Because they'll leave you. Google him. This is where Palantir is going. Moon. I like Palantir. Can you look at AAL? What about it, Cameron? I love you, Cameron. Ed, 105 watching and only 3 likes. Get the 3 likes? What? I was seeing way more than that. That is crazy. Rami, thank you for subscribing, brother. Please tell me about IB Housing Finance Target. Hold on, I'll tell you. All right, you don't need You guys are spamming way too much, man. You know I don't like spam, right? The more you spam, the less I see it. I don't know if you knew that. Inverse, right? Reverse psychology. Yeah, let's get the likes up, guys. Come on now. Damn, Alex, look at he's just popping out of nowhere. I didn't even click on him, dude. He's just there. He's fucking tank, man. He doesn't leave. He's not fucking leaving. Smash those likes. Let's get to 100. Okay. I see 86 on my end. All right. You know what I don't see though? 100. You know what I do see though? Womanizer. Get me to 100 likes or this man is staying on the screen and I'm puffing this. Let me see how y'all are doing though. I haven't talked to you for a while. What happens to your partial shares? I've asked help on Webull a ton that question and they never answered. Ooh, good question, Jared. I don't know. Something to think about. Yeah, good call, Jared. I can look into it as much as I can. Let me Google it, I guess. If you've asked them though, call them. Do they have a support line? Because I know Robinhood's shitty ass doesn't. What's your 9 to 5? 9 to 5. I'm a manufacturing engineer. Okay, that's all you get. That's all you get. I'm an engineer. Down 4 or greater than down. Okay, you're more than down 4.6%. Nice. I like it, man. Bet. Yo, how can I get that volume indicator sign? You want it? Oh, this right here? Ooh, you gotta be a Patreon, man. Okay, Gerard. I know what Gerard's talking about. Guys, what do you think of this? Let me know if you guys know how to get this, because you don't. This is code. This is code. Okay, this is coded. You can't just search up this indicator, man. Okay, you can try. All right. You know what I call it? Volume cheat code. Why? Because it's a cheat code, baby. This thing is nice. I like it. Right. I'm gonna plug a little bit. That's fine. Whatever. Why? Because I'm waiting for 100 likes anyways. Boom, baby. Right. It tells you volume. Right. It's phenomenal. It's more than that. This is what I like the most about it, right? This is nice because it gives you a quick highlight, right? Where was seller volume in control or buyer volume in control? Is it growing, right? Well, in this instance, right, seller volume is increasing. Fuck me, okay? Because I'm in the stock, but either way, right? And we got a couple other things up here. From a high level, though, here's what I like, right? It gives you the daily average. It gives you today's volume, and it tells you where it's sitting proportionally, right? So we're at 63. What you want to look for, though, baby, right? Let's go to let me see if I can find one that's high right now, right? You want to see one that's cooking, right? Oh, yeah, I missed it, guys. Where we at? Fuck. Where's it at? Oh, no, I lost it. Sorry, guys. Hopefully you don't, seize up here. TGGI, right? This stock I called out, and you got... So I called this out for our Patreons yesterday morning. Right here, you see this circle right here, 0.35. You see where we're at now, okay? Even if we closed low today, we're still up over 100%. We topped out at 200%, okay? Right? Oh, sorry, I'm lying. I apologize, guys. I called this yesterday right here, okay? Okay. Worst case, you made 35% on your portfolio, okay? Best case, you made it 100%, right? That's what Patreons get, baby. Quick plug. Either way, Patreons also get access to this, right? Tells you 220%. Tells you volume was cooking. Look at the volume, baby. 1.5 billion. That is gross. That is disgusting. Holy shit. I didn't know it was that high. But yeah, either way. All right, cool little gift. Patreons get it. Let me know. Give me a holler. If you guys want to be Patreon, link in the top. You get trade signals daily. You get coaching. And you get access to my personal watch list. I keep it easy for you guys. You just have to execute. Use risk management. Okay, cool. Where are the likes at? Maybe we can get back to the video. Let's see. Damn, Alex. Oh my gosh. I told you, that guy just pops out as a fucking gopher, man. 86 likes, 94. We need 6 more likes, ladies and gentlemen. 6 more. Look at this man. Why would you not want to be this man? Look at him, okay? He slays. He's a womanizer, okay? I don't need to define slaying, okay? Because 1, it's probably not appropriate because my mind's in the gutter. And 2, okay, it doesn't matter. He gets the bills, baby. This is a billionaire. B, you heard it, okay? Now, I don't know why a billionaire can't afford a $10 haircut. I don't know. Ask him. Wait, you can't because he's a billionaire. He's too damn busy to get to your questions. He's too damn busy being a womanizer. He's too damn busy waiting for your boy to get 100 likes. Smash that fucking like button. We need 3 more likes, baby. 97 is what I'm seeing. I need 100. $98. That's good, but it's, it's hard to drink. Why? Because I don't drink. Plain and simple. 1 more like, and, I might take this man off the screen. I don't know. He's hard to get off. He's like glue. Okay. Alex motherfucking Carp. Tank. 1 more like. I need 1 more like. Okay. We can do stocks all night. Okay. 100. Let's go. Smash that like. Ed, thank you for the support. By the way, love you, Ed. Ed has been a consistent contributor. Ed, man. You know what? Are you in the Discord channel? Are you Patreon? Okay. Because if you are, man, let me throw it. We'll talk later. All right, grab me in the Discord channel. Jay Rizzle, brother, thank you for the support. TSNPD was on the move this week. What's your take? Yo, peeps in the chat, drop 9 to 5 some cash. He's working for you right now, trying to make you some money. Bless him with some cash. Jay Rizzle, man, thank you for the plug. Holy shit. Jay Rizzle, bless up, man. Thank you. I greatly appreciate your support, man. Okay. You remind me of Alex Carp so much. Get down here, Jay. All right, we're going to keep Jay up here because he's the man. Yeah, man. Guys, it's not even, here's the thing you gotta look at, okay? Guys, I'm not a big promotion guy. I'm not a big, I'm very humble. But, here's the thing. Honestly, the Patreon's not that bad. I put myself in your shoes. How much am I willing to spend on this? Whatever, right? So it's pretty affordable. Here's the thing. Whatever you spend on here, you're going to make, I will help you. I will ensure you make more than that back, okay? Now, execution's up to you. That's my disclosure. But here's also what I'm going to tell you. I will feed you shit that is disgusting in potential. And it's unfortunate that I've been so busy, I can't execute to it all the time. But guys, I've called so many breakouts every day. It's gross. I don't even. It's hard to watch because I'm just like, it gives me so much FOMO. So I'm like, oh yep, okay, you know, because I'll see something cooking. Maybe it's at 10%, and then I have a meeting. I get back from the meeting. Oh, it's at 34% right now. Sick. Okay, so it's unfortunate, but I want y'all to eat for real. I do. It's very important to me, and I'd love to see people grow. And maybe we're all rich one day, and we can tag up in Vegas. We can talk about how we met through YouTube chat and through a Discord channel, and now we're just eating, boy. Driving the Lambos. I don't know. Whatever cars you like. You can get whatever the fuck you want with money. If it's right. I like it. TNSP, man. It looks like it's in premature signs of a potential cup and handle pattern. Okay, I think it needs a little more to do. Let's clear it up real quick. Let's do a good one for you. Oh my gosh. Okay. TSNPD, guys, is the ticker symbol. I keep calling it TNSP. This thing's cooking right now. I think I'm gonna watch it. I think I'm gonna put on my personal. This could have a nice breakout tomorrow. And let me chart it and see if we can call some breakout signals if they're there. So right now I'm on the week chart, right? It's bullish, high level, right? This candle, top wick is just the only thing I don't like with it. A top wick is essentially rejection of higher prices. That's fine though. The body's still pretty solid. Let's go to the 1 day. Okay. Oh my gosh. This thing doesn't look too bad, man. It's moving. It's cooking. Can't do a whole lot with horizontals, but we can try. Okay. And it'll be easier if I have a lower aggregation period. I just want to see if I can see a slope in here. I see one, but I'm trying to make sure I, get you a good one, right? I'm going to draw it appropriately. Might have to dial down the aggregation period once again. Let's just see what we can see. Let's go to the 4 hour. Volume is there. I like it. There's something. Shit. 289. Watch me work. Let me dial it down just a little bit here. I want to do a good job, okay, and I'm taking my time. It's not that I don't do a good job on the other ones. It's just like, I don't want to steer you wrong here, boss. Fuck. Let's go to the 1 hour 4. I'm gonna go back to the 4 real quick. I see it there. I can't fucking draw right now. You see what I'm seeing? There's a slope there. I like to wick it. I might do body. I like that. Very, very bullish right now. Right, it is retesting right now, retracing. It does look like. Let's give it a little bit. There's a lot of opportunity here. Let's take a look at some other things real quick. So volume is picking up. It does look good, and buyer volume is picking up. This thing is cooking, man. It does look really good. I think there's just retracement going on, in my opinion. And we'll take a little bit of a closer look. I just want to look at the key indicators real quick while we're at it. On the 4 hour aggregation period, RSI is pretty high. Now, we have lower highs. Oh my gosh, this thing is fucking great. I think we have some hidden divergence too, man. Oh my gross. Let me just double check. Oh my gosh, this thing looks fucking good. Just want to double check because the subjects, I'm still studying it myself. Basically, it's an inverse correlation between the RSI indicator and the price action. So we're seeing Yeah, dude. This thing is... Okay. There's some hidden divergence here, potentially. But with that being said, so there's lower. So I'm seeing this higher high, and I'm seeing this lower high. Right? It's inversely correlated. It's a little bit bearish. That's fine. Doesn't always have to follow suit. Momentum. Okay, it is increasing. It died a little bit today. That's fine. Whatever. Fuck off. It's still net on average, substantially strong right now. Volume's in your favor. The only thing I need to watch closer is this candle right here. I need to see what happens with that bad boy. That's the only thing I'm questioning right now, where that's going next. Because it's a substantial breakthrough of this EMA line. It's breaking through this sloping support. It doesn't mean things are done at all. It just means we gotta redraw some things in here. There it is. Okay, 341. I think it's just back testing right now, retracing. We need to be very patient with that. I think it's running nice net overall. I like 341. It could obviously stop before then. I think 341 is much more significant than a support on the way down in between the current price level and 341. We take a look at today. Okay. We made a really hard stop down here to tail off today, so it's not bad. Just depends, right? You want to grab wicks or bodies. I like it here at about 368. It smashed hard. You can see it's riding that slope, just like G Money. And then it sold down. Now it's smashing off 368. So, let's tie it all together. I'll give you a high-level conclusion. Okay? Really quick here. All right, let's watch it. Let's watch it. Keep selling off. I think 368 is potentially where it's getting positioned to potentially bounce, but it's very premature. I think from a strong high level horizontal support is 341. I want to wait for a bounce off that because it does look like it is retracing right now of extreme bullish movement. Now momentum has been from high level. Okay, I'm optimistic. Why? Because I'm seeing the underlying things. Yes, we did sell off. Fine, that's whatever. Maybe people are cashing out. Maybe it's done doing its thing. I don't think it's done doing its thing. Here's why. Volume's been increasing steadily the last week. Here's the thing too. Buyer volume has been increasing. Things are looking good. It's looking pretty damn good. It looks like it's cooking, but I'm not seeing a whole lot yet. I think I need to watch it work just a little bit more. And we need to see what happens after tomorrow. I'd feel a lot better about getting you something a lot better. Jay Rizzle, stick with me here. Stick with me in the Discord. DM me privately so we can watch it together, okay? So I can get you a little more, okay? But I think preemptively, it doesn't look terrible. I just need to see a lot more, okay? I like it. Let's go. Appreciate it. What do I think about the crypto market? I like crypto. It's cool. He looks homeless. Who does? Harold, who are you talking about? Oh, you're talking about... You're talking about Alex Karp? Yeah, he ain't homeless, though. I mean, he probably is, but he's still rich. Tilray double by end of year? Maybe. I don't know anything about this company. I think it gap fill pretty fucking nicely when it gets on a nice run again. It's been doing a lot of consolidation on the weekly. 4 hour, right? Makes sense. It's just been kind of sitting. It's kind of a slow mover. But Tilray double by the end of the year. I don't know anything about this company. I don't. It's hard for me to tell you, man. I think anything is possible. I just don't know what Tilray does. I really don't. I hear a lot about them, They've been appreciating the last 180 days. Okay, so I do like that. Right, you see a little bit of a slope here. Or there is a slope there. Matter of fact. Yeah, most definitely. So, Tilray's holding, but it's not a fast mover. Volume does look nice. It's high. Okay, so you got some probably serious game in here, probably some institutional investors. But I don't know anything about them, so it's hard for me to tell you. Sorry to ask again, Unified by any chance? I'd love to hear your TA on him, right? He's a womanizer. Perfect name for cologne. I love it. Smash that like, baby. All right, cool. Got a few more minutes, guys, because I gotta get ready for tomorrow. I gotta get ready for my Patrons, get them some shit. I gotta do some charting. So we gotta get after. We gotta make people rich tomorrow. Unify. You'd love to hear my TA on it. Oh yeah. It's cool. Palantir CEO versus Rocket CEO. Who wins though? Because the Rocket CEO apparently practices I don't know what that means. Qui-Gon, like Qui-Gon Jinn, like from Star Wars. I'm gonna Google this, but I'm scared. I'm not gonna go to Google Images because just the topic we're on. What the fuck is this? It's an exercise, healing, massage. Oh, okay, it's appropriate. Good. Okay, it just sounds like it's yoga or some shit. So, Rocket CEO is a stud. I love Rocket companies, man. Rocket Mortgage is great. I was heavily invested in them, but they kept getting shorted, so I got the fuck out because it just wasn't moving. And things about Rocket, even while having okay, good deal. Okay, Unify. All right, let's go to the max. Pretty bullish right now. I think it's cooling down. Absolutely. Let's go to the daily. Okay. 4 hour. It's been very bullish the last 2 months. Okay. I don't know why. Do your DD. Make sure you understand why it's bullish. I'm going to draw on this fake line that's not actually there. Let's take a closer look. Okay. Yeah, fuck. It's breaking. Let's go to the 1 hour. It's looking it's an ascending head and shoulders. Okay, but whatever. It's just a pattern, right? I like support and resistance levels way more than patterns. Patterns are like kind of the what if game. Support and resistance levels at the end of the day set you up for patterns. So support and resistance levels are usually definitely your stronger guys. Let me see something here. Okay, maybe. I think it broke a little bit. I'm gonna trace it back to the day. Okay, got a light show. Yeah, I'm not seeing a whole lot. I think when you start going horizontal, yeah, because we don't have any slopes, more interim that are that are strong and confirmed, and that's okay. You're not always gonna have them, but it's preferred absolutely because slopes are very, very good. I'm gonna confirm these horizontals real quick, and then we'll move on. Okay, guys. Watch me work one day. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, cool. Gucci 4 hour. Boom. Okay, not good. I don't show it. Yep. See, look, guys. Look. Coincidence? I think not. Look at this. Every level I drew in is touching, like, significantly, right? Okay. $28.89, right? It's close enough. $32, $33, right? Rejected entirely off that. Then we bounce off 30, right? All right. I need to justify it. It's there. It's real, man. Let's go in. So those levels are feeling good, baby. You remove this piece of shit that wasn't there. Yeah, right now, right? Let's see if we're following suit. Let's see, baby. Let's see if we can reject off $32 as we have historically multiple times. I like it. Okay, volume, not too bad. It's cruising a little bit, picked up nicely today, but most of it was seller volume. Be cognizant of that. Buyer volume has been pretty steady, but it's been low. RSI is low proportionally to the last 180 days. I like that. Momentum is still bearish, but it is cooling down just a little bit, a little premature. Okay. I want to see if we can bounce nicely off this. I think we're sitting in a channel here, as we have been essentially the last week and a half, right? Most of the volume's been there. Let's get out of this bad boy. And then I'd try to shave off at about 35 and just kind of swing it. Let's go from there, not financial advice. $41, it's a little far-fetched, okay? Do we need a lot of momentum and steam and volume to get there. We need to break key resistance levels, see where we're at next, right? Which is probably about here. And we can confirm that as well, 37, just to give you a little extra DD. Yep. Look at that, fucking money. So 37 is real, okay? So it's gonna take a little bit to get back to the promised land, but I think we're sitting pretty good. I think we're in atmospheric range, baby. Smash that like button. All right. Gonna join. You would have saved me 25 on MP alone. Thanks, good. Appreciate you, man. Let's go, baby. Join the Patreon, guys. It's a cult. Not fishing here, but did you see my dono for a whole $1 earlier? No, man. What? Oh, shit. My bad, Jared. Dude, I need to... So I'm going to program something with my live streams and it'll pop up on the bottom. So I'm sick of that shit. I thought I covered you, but maybe not. I apologize. What do you want, Jared? Anything for you, man. Sorry about that, boss. No, you're not fishing. Okay. Cool. Thank you, Arnold. I appreciate you, man. Jared, let me know what you want. What are you drinking? This right here. I call it soda. It's 12-year. It's 12-year. I don't know. This is pirate shit. Rum. It's good. I'm just not a drinker, you know? I'm a vapor. No, I don't really do a lot of both that shit. I'm just a savage when I feel like it. I have self-control, right? Like so much so that I buy one of these almost every day, right? Self-control. I'm not addicted. I just can't live without it, you know? There's a difference. It's SOS a buy. I like SOS. We'll take a look. Were they crypto mining? I can't remember. I just like trading them. So you can see I'm about it. I'm about it. Yeah, man. Is it a buy? Always. Right now. Just kidding. Let's take a look. Extend to the left. Let's go to the max. All right. Top down analysis. Always. Always. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're a day trader. I don't care if you're a second trader. Okay. You trade by the 1 second, which is, I don't know. You probably take a lot of drugs if you can handle that. But, you know, always check back to today. Always. I like SOS, man. Oh my gosh, man. If we touch that, I might have just drawn it bad, but if we touch that, oh my goodness, man, we cooking, man. I think SOS has been moving kind of slow. I did call a breakout on SOS the other day, but I missed it again because of work. So, you know, tight, but, you know, Patreon's good to eat, so that's fine. We were sitting in a really nice ascending triangle, and I think we still might be in it. Let me see. I think we still are. I think I'm seeing it now. Because we were, man, this thing was cooking, but there's not a whole lot. Like, it's moving. You got to be patient with it. You got to be very patient with it. Okay. I do like that dynamic resistance, though. Sloping resistance. If there's a sloping support here, okay, I'm not going to try to fake this in here. It needs to be here. If it's here, okay, we're sitting pretty good. We're sitting really good. Fuck. Looks like there was. Let me go back. Sometimes it's better if you're on a bigger aggregation period. Let's go to the 1 day. Possibly. Possibly. Okay. So this is okay. So let me erase this so you can see what I'm seeing a little bit. Let me zoom in just a little quick here. Just have to redraw this for myself. So there might be, okay, an ascending triangle pattern here. It's gonna take a while though, okay. And here it is, right, preemptively. If we break 855, we're gonna probably run pretty nicely, okay? Because there's really not a whole lot past that. Okay. The next level above 855, it's gonna pretty much gap fill, okay? It's gonna move nice if it gets to 855 and it needs to confirm a breakthrough there. I think right now it's cooking, but you gotta be patient with it, okay? I'd like to really, because here's the thing, 855, we keep smashing that. That is great, okay? That's good signs. It's showing that it's essentially following suit very prematurely with a potential ascending triangle pattern. This dynamic support needs to keep holding, and we just eventually squeeze, and then we break through. We break through 855. I think this thing's gonna run nice. I like SOS. I do. Significant. But you need to be patient, and you gotta manage your risk, boy, girl, boy. I don't know. Mason's a girl name too, I think. I got killed today. Everyone got killed, brother. Yesterday was bad, but today doubled from yesterday. Okay, good. Same. Yeah, see, everyone did. Everyone did. Yeah, man. I got Bio-Nano, had Sundial, but sold at the peak. Should have done that. I thought it was high. Kari girl, 808. What's up? I love it. I love when the ladies are in here. I'm a gentleman. Welcome. Thank you. Ladies always take priority over the guys. Sorry, guys. You just gotta, I don't know, just tough it out. You're supposed to be tough. I think Tilray is a weed stock. Okay, thank you. Can you please check Torch? We already did, but I still have fair bit more DD to do on Unify, but they're the supplier of the Whole Foods for Whole Foods. Okay. And they're incredibly undervalued compared to their all-time high. Okay. Oh, they weren't even with Whole Foods at their all-time high? It could have been manipulation. Oh, okay. So they just got with Whole Foods, and that was down here after the all-time high? Or wait, maybe the all-time high was back. Oh, okay, got you. Okay, so yeah, opportunities there, absolutely, man. Daniel, what's up? Welcome. I'm at Nanax. Jared Cobb, I see you. I see you seeing me seeing you. I'll get you in a bit. All right, guys, got a couple more minutes here. Smash that like before I smash my face. I'm in on the Knox at 44. I was kind of in at first for a short-term investment. You're in at 44. Okay, cool. Just gonna give you a little line here. I'm gonna call you one of B, man. No, that's too much. Let's do pink. Stands out. Okay. Crystal, welcome. Just joined. Thank you, Crystal. Appreciate your support. I'm gonna hook you up. All right. Be on the lookout for some signals. We got you covered, Crystal. Love it. Thank you. Truly humbling. I will take care of you. We're gonna get to the money. I'm in at the Knox at 44. Same with API at 60. I think they can 2x in 2 weeks. The Knox and API 2xing in 2 weeks. Oof. 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 Let's take a look, okay? That's pretty aggressive. That's very aggressive. Especially the Knox. I haven't looked at API yet, okay? Volume is still holding. I like it. RSI is super low, so it has a lot more it has a long way to go. That's my only concern. And direction's unclear, and it's still a little bearish momentum, speaking wise. Now, okay, buyers took over. They took control today, okay? They said, fuck out of here. But, you know, let's wait till it's like a morning star and confirm that for us. And we need to get back past our EMA line here and our $44 resistance level as well, okay? It's very significant. Now, double, okay? Just let's talk theoretical for a second, okay? 2-week period between here. So was the 20, so okay, the next 2 weeks falls in this vicinity here, okay? We need to get to what, 88? Okay, so we need to run 50% in here. Holy shit. Okay, so imagine, give me a second. So our target's there, and this box represents that point of time. Okay, just playing theory with you real quick. Okay, we gotta move quick, harder than it probably ever has, you know, almost ever has, besides maybe right here, maybe. Right? There's nothing really matching the height of this box. And why are we talking about the height of the box? Well, essentially, that's what I was trying to show you. We need to match the height of that box. That's a long way. It's a very long way, okay? There's 2 weeks, okay? The width of my box represents 2 weeks worth of time. The height of my box represents how far we need to go from the bottom, okay? That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a shit ton, okay? Well, you know, very unlikely, but anything can happen, okay? Especially after what happened recently. We might have maybe have gotten there if we stayed floating around here. But 44 to 88 in 2 weeks, that's very, very aggressive. Very, 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 very aggressive, okay? The last time it was even in that range was from today, was about a month and a half ago, okay? So, you know, we basically have to go, what, 5 times? It's unlikely, very unlikely that it 2x's in 2 weeks, okay? Just being real. Don't want to discourage you. API, we'll look at API really quick and we got to jump around and get some more stonks. Agora, 2x in 2 weeks, same thing, okay? This is probably not, okay, so what are we at? $52 to, okay, to 104. Just good. I'm just gonna draw it in, okay? Just so you can, I want to paint a visual picture for you so you can kind of understand where I'm coming from, okay? But I'm not gonna, it's an honest question, so you guys can't give them shit for that. Everyone's different. Doesn't matter. He's just asking. Who cares? There's no such thing as a dumb question. Here's your time span, okay? 2 weeks, all right? You can probably draw it over a little bit more. I'd say it's more about here. That represents 2 weeks worth of time, okay? Target to double, all right? From current prices, right there. The width of this box is the time we need to make up, and the height of it from today's price is how far we need to go. 2 weeks. That's far, brother. Let's go to the max, okay? It's only done that one other time ever, and it was more recently, okay? A little optimism. Volume is double, okay? So it's cooking a little bit. Technically speaking, it needs a lot, and technically speaking, but anything's possible, okay? This one at least looks better than the other one from a technical standpoint. But that's very ambitious, okay? It's a lot, okay? Just throwing that out there. So hopefully that helped a little bit. Jared Cobb, I'm going to get your stonk. And again, welcome Crystal to the Patreon, guys. If you want to join the Patreon, you want daily trade signals, you want some opportunities to learn from your boy, you guys want to dive into my personal watch list, right? We can do all the work for you, all right? And I got people to help me. We'll get you some hot-ass stocks again. We're calling them out daily, right? All you got to do is open up Thinkorswim, Webull, hopefully not Robinhood. And if you do open up Robinhood, maybe open up your mind a little bit because fuck Robinhood. Just kidding. No, not kidding about opening up your mind, but I'm kidding about opening up your mind, not kidding about fuck Robinhood. So fuck Robinhood. Anyways, we'll send you some signals like I do is open up the app. We'll call it the breakout points. We'll call it everything for you. We got you, especially the Patreons. And you get Discord access too if you're a Patreon. Okay, we have over 1,000 people in there. It's fun. It's a good time. We talk shit. It's fun. We're also gentlemen and professional. And there's ladies in there too. Plenty. Vec Q. Jared. Cobb. Let's go, baby. You guys know I'm usually way more fired up. Okay, I'm just tired. I was at the gym, you know. We're getting the gains, right? We're getting the... We had to get the gains at the gym, guys. That's why the live stream started so late. Also, Moon Gang gear. If you guys like the tee, check out the stove in the link in the description. Okay, we get a little cozy here. Moon Gang. Okay, Vac Q. What you want to know, Jared? What you want to know, man? I'll probably ask for that each stream. Okay, let me just start here. So I know Jared's gonna be asking. I know he's gonna be asking about it. All right. Oh, it's a mini SpaceX? Oh, dude. I'm waiting for my wife, Kathy Wood, to unveil the ARK, her ETF, her space ETF. Oh my gosh. I'm going to dump into that shit. I love space. Guys, let me know if you're interested on how your boy was able to get, shares of SpaceX. Because if you guys are interested in that, it's possible, okay? You know, possibly Robinhood too. I fucking hate Robinhood, but pre-IPO. Yeah, I was thinking about making a video on how to, or on how, your boy, get the SpaceX shares. I don't know. Let me know if you guys would be interested in something like that. It's a little crazy, okay? I'm not lying, right? It's just, there's a method to the madness. I just have a network. That's all it is, right? There's plenty of people that own stocks before they go public. It's not like, what do you mean? How do you think they went public in the first place? They had investors, fool. SpaceX, baby. VacQ, yeah. VacQ's cool. SpaceX is cooler. Here we go. VacQ. Let's go. Let's reset. Let's go, baby. Max. It's new. Makes sense. Did you say space mining? No, you said mini SpaceX. Okay. Space mining. Whew. The first company to space mine, it will be first trillionaire in the world. First. Oh my gosh. Space mine. I can't get into it. I'm going to start geeking out. My science side of my brain is just gonna unleash. Guys, there's literally asteroids out there that are like miles, hundreds of miles in size. Okay, if that's a way to think about it, I guess. Okay, and they're literally composed of like diamond. Like imagine a diamond that's 1,000 miles in length, just flying through the air. Okay, imagine being able to obtain that. All right, that's just a small example. Diamond ain't shit. You should think about the rare elements on the periodic table. Okay, they're all out there in space. If you were able to obtain, oh my god, dude, you'd have so much money, you'd buy the fucking world. It'd be disgusting. So I'm just drawing some slopes here. Let me see if they're confirming. Okay, that looks fucking garbage. That's okay though. That's why we do this top-down analysis. It's not that it's not there. It's just, you want to, depending on your aggregation period, right? You want to always follow suit. And we can always draw something a little bit better. And I think it's there, right? I like it. Yeah, boy. We squeezing. Hope I didn't blow your guys' ears out there. So, I'm like eating my fucking microphone. So, yeah. Yeah, my. I'm gonna draw some horizontals. Why? Because I'm a savage. Don't worry about it. What do you mean, dude? You thought I wasn't a goon? You out of your damn mind or what, man? You out of your mind? Hold on. Let me get some oxygen right now. Some goon oxygen. That was a little too goony. Got punched my throat, but that's okay. Because it's menthol. Right, guys, it's fine, right? I mean, this isn't even that bad, right? Cancer, maybe, at worst. What are you, a bitch or what, You weak? I shouldn't say the B word on stream. That's a little vulgar, but what are you, weak? Oh, man, I feel bad. I shouldn't be saying that word. I have a potty mouth, if you couldn't tell. I'm a sailor, right? Drinking rum, okay? All right? 12-year. Hitting the fucking cancer sticks, you know? Live. Talking about stocks, money. Let's go, baby. Do nothing less. I'm a goon. Here's my opinion, boss, okay? Sloping resistance. It's there. Phenomenal. Here's what I'm excited about. We need time with it, okay? We need time with it. But I want to see this thing start to creep up. Because in my opinion, okay? Fuck my opinion. Technically speaking, this thing is cooking long term, and this thing has a lot of opportunity to absolutely gap fill. I think a swing trade on this is disgusting. I'm glad you keep plugging this every stream, because as we watch it work. I'm telling you, if this breaks $13, brother, what you got? You know where you're going next? Okay, you know what? Fuck out of here. You know where you're going next? See that shit? You know what that is? You know what that is, man? Moon gang, you're gonna be with it, brother. I'm telling you, this thing. I mean, what? I can't even see the moon. It's so high, right? Now I can. You see that motherfucker? Let's go, baby. This thing is gonna run like a machine. I'm telling you, but you gotta be very patient with it. Things are in your favor right now, okay? And it especially looks cheap. I'm gonna start this. I like VAQ. Thank you for sharing, Jared Cobb, and thank you for your continued support on the 9 to 5 Goon channel. Let me see how y'all are doing. I want to talk to you, man. I miss you. You got 1,000 shares of eyes? I got 2 eyes, brother. Yo, could you take a look at Vinco Ventures? I'm going to take a look at some stanks, man. Let me talk to y'all real quick. Please, let's peep LGAJ before your bedtime. Jinx blunt. That's why it's your bedtime soon, because Jinx is on the blunts, okay? All right? It makes you sleepy. Probably, I'm guessing. I don't know. I don't smoke. I vape. I do the legal stuff. LGHL. We'll take a look since you gotta go to bed, okay? Be better hit that damn like button, because I want to talk to people, but I feel bad because I'm keeping you up, okay? So here's a real quick high level. Looks good. Go to bed. Just kidding. Jinx blunt, clearly we've done this before, and it's still falling soon. I don't want to correct it. Jinx, I love the way this is looking right now, okay? Oh my goodness, Jinx. Woo! Look at this shit. Sloping support. Let's go, man. 456. Let's go, man. Okay, it's smashing. It's confirmed right now. This shit might explode tomorrow, okay? I'm adding this to the list. I'll probably give it to the Patreons, okay? But I'm going to tell them when to buy and sell. Why? Because I'm a goon, okay? And we eat. Oh my gosh, this thing looks good. Damn. Let me look at volume real quick. Oh my gosh. Let me look at volume. I'm getting my legs jittering. 3x of, oh my gosh. Good pick. This is fucking good. This is really good, okay? Like, all seriousness. I like this. And it's, oh man, this is good. Oh. Sleepy. Yeah. So just from a high level, okay, I really like that it broke that resistance. It might have a pretty good one on the way back, on the way up to the moon, but you know, when it gets there, there's not a whole lot more. This thing is gonna fucking shock. Oh my goodness. I like this pick, man. It's giving me chills. Looks good. The way things are looking now, okay, shave, you know, make a quick 8% tomorrow, okay? If we break 525 though, and especially, oh my gosh, if we break up here 6, yeah, this shit looks good. I like it. There's a chance it could cup and handle at some point, okay? Got a little cup forming. There's a chance once we break through, let's say 526, right? It'll probably try to retrace back down to 526 if we break through it. That's fine. Watch it cook some more. Hopefully this support keeps holding, this dynamic support, sloping support. Boom! This thing looks good. I like it. Thank you for sharing. I think I did have this on the... I think we called this out this morning. I can't remember. Called out so many stocks. Stanks. Chocolate rain. Yeah, I made money off Sundial, but could have made more. Don't live a woulda, coulda, shoulda life. Sriracha is space mining. Jared, I need to start. I need my wife Kathy Wood to just start her damn ETF so it can make it easier for me. So I have to manage all these fucking stable road acquisition. Okay, so it's a SPAC. So they're reverse merging for the intent of raising capital. Cool. I like it. It's not worth trading anything right now in the market. It's so choppy. That is not true. That's not true. Okay? Not true at all. I was going to make a video today on it. There's a lot of ways to make money in the market. I promise you. I'm looking at... Oh, I'm looking at the blood playlist right now. These are the stocks I trade when the market's down, okay? Let me run through them real quick. One's up 5%, 3%. All right, they're trading cheap too. Yeah, there's ways to make money, okay? Think about people who do it for a job. What do you mean? There's ways to make money every day. Now, if you're looking at real companies, yeah, I mean, it's not preferable. There's always ways to make money in the market. Or just trade Forex, all right? Be a fucking machine. Sup, bro? Vape is bad. Okay. Okay. Is that it? So I was eating pizza. I mean, what, okay? What do you mean? The hell? I don't give a fuck. Thanks, Jared. Yes, sir. Thanks, brother. LTNC to $1 by end of year. OTC of the decade. Really? Take a look. Yeah, vaping's bad. Murdering's bad. Eating like shit's bad. Not working out like me every day is bad. I don't know. What cares, man? You working out 6 days a week? No, you're not? Okay, that's bad. Start working out every day. Then we could talk. So check this out. I like the slope and support here. All right, I think it's real. But I'm going to confirm that, right? We're on a pretty high aggregation period. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. This thing looks good. Good job. Good job. Let me start this. Okay. Yeah, thanks, Ryan Top. Good call, man. You know your shit. I see you seeing me seeing you. Yeah, see, aggregation was extremely high. I'm going to draw a little bit tighter. I like the 4 hour. It's just my preferred. See if I can get some slopes on this bad boy. Oh my gosh, man. This looks fucking good. Yeah, man. This thing looks good. At least more interim, right? I think I could scalp this, get a nice quick little, 20%er. I'm going to run it across real quick. See where we can possibly top off next, besides from the more interim high. It's not too bad. Okay. Yeah, man. Good fucking pick. Let me look at volume real quick and I'll feel much better about it. Volume's really high. It's high. I'm cool with it. It hasn't been picking up, but that's okay. It's been pretty steady. Buyer volume is picking up, sort of. It's kind of even. Very, very bullish. This looks fucking awesome. This looks like a very strong. I mean, if this is an ascending triangle, that is statistically one of the strongest bullish patterns that there is on the market. Okay, very, very bullish. I like it. I'll probably chart this a little better tonight on my own time. But I think I'm going to add this to my personal. Thank you, man. So I love doing this shit, man. You guys get to share stuff with me. I love this. I do appreciate this, man. I want to see how it ran today. Let's fucking go. 18%. Like it, man. Good call. It looks really good. Good job. Yeah, and I do like that it already kind of retraced back down to that sloping support. Confirm that as a slope for me. And it just bounced beautifully. Yeah, this looks awesome. Pre-order their hydrogen water. What is this again? LTNC. Thanks, man. Love it. OTC of the decade. What do you think about AMC? So I might look at AT. Jinx is the greatest jinx. Andrew Johnson with the flex. AMTX. Yeah. All right, guys, I got a few more minutes. I think I've said that, 8,000 times. So AMTX. Bullish. A little concerning when I see something this extended that it can pull. Yeah. Okay. I think we missed the party. I think we did. Okay. Not to discourage you. I think we missed the party. We'll see, though, right? It kept on keeping on for weeks, surprisingly. There's probably something going on, probably a catalyst I'm not aware of. Oh, yeah. I like that. My goodness. Yeah, yeah. Oh, man. I do think we missed the party. Okay. It's just way too, like, technically speaking, right? I'm not saying it can't keep going up because it has been somehow. So I think there's something else underlying driving this. It is on the Nasdaq and it just doesn't give a fuck. Oh, Nasdaq's doing bad. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go up 2% more today then. Pretty impressive. I'm curious. Yeah, my thoughts are I think I don't know, because so it's continuing. It's continuous motion. Volume is holding strong. Okay, let's look at some other things because I said we missed the party, but it's been bullish for fucking a month straight. Buyer volume is dying down. Seller volume is dying down though, and it's outweighed by buyer volume. So volume net overall is going down, I guess. I mean it is. Sorry. RSI pretty high. I would expect that. It looks very, very extended. We still have some bullish momentum, okay, but it's dying down, so be cognizant of that. Let me see if there's some divergence here. Let me see if this thing can keep cooking. I don't know how the fuck it could, but it has been. It's been proving me wrong. Higher lows, higher highs. Oh shit. Give me a second. Womanizer. No, that's not what I was looking at. Let's let me check something here. I'm so new to this subject. I want to see if I can test my brain real quick. I like to challenge myself, see if I can remember things. Okay. Yeah, so okay. Sorry, I want to make sure I do this good for you. So we're seeing higher highs. Okay, that was obvious. Yeah. Okay. Seeing some bearish divergence makes sense. It's gonna look bearish. Basically, what I saw is I saw the inverse. So we saw higher highs. Right. That's what I was looking at mentally, and then on the chart or lower highs. Sorry, and then on the chart we had higher highs, so it's inversely correlated. So we have bearish divergence there. So which makes sense, right? You're probably gonna see bearish divergence, being that it's been cooking for so long. I just think I don't know, man. From a technical standpoint, okay, it's cooked. It's been holding very strong, very impressive. I don't know what's going on. There's something underlying here. I don't know. Okay, volume's been kind of picking up, not really. It's been holding your daily average. It's been bullish for months straight. It's fucking cooked on the max. So it's down for it. It's begging for a pullback, but it still keeps going. Very impressive. From a high level, let's look at the daily real quick. All right. Here's one thing I want to teach you about candlesticks. This is the daily chart. In the last 3 days, when you have tall wicks, okay, and even more so small bodies, when you have tall wicks on the top of the candle, that means, think about it, the price kept pushing. It kept pushing this high during the day. and then it closed down well below it. So this means there's a strong rejection of higher prices, okay? And as time has been going on, we've been seeing, the thing is, we're still appreciating, right? We're still closing. Our bodies are still closing above open, which means they're green, besides the one from today. But as we see the wicks grow longer and they keep being on the top side, that means we keep getting rejected so there's a strong rejection of higher prices, okay? Bulls keep pushing it up, bears say fuck out of here, and then within that day time span, the bears eventually are winning. And if they don't win, they're just barely not winning, right? So like this green candle, for example, right? Bulls won ultimately, but they barely won. Okay, it didn't really close that much higher than it opened for the day. So something to pay attention to. It's in preemptive stages, right? Divergence is telling you that it's approaching bearishness. Tall wicks above, okay? Rejection of higher prices. So those are my thoughts on APX. I think it's cooked to death, but it can keep running. Do fundamental analysis, DD. You know, what's going on with this company? Something's going on. Something is keeping it strong for a month on end. Very impressive. So that's my thoughts. From a technical standpoint, it looks baked, but it's proved technicals wrong for a little bit. So let's see what's going on. Ed, thank you, man. I work in corrections in your channel, especially your humor makes my day. Yeah, man, brother. Thank you for all you do. See you in the Discord. Thanks, Ed. Woo! Hey, man. Thank you for your service to society, man. I appreciate that, man. I don't know a lot about corrections, but I think from a high level, you get exposure to, you know, being able to impact people's lives in a positive way. So I appreciate your service to the community, man. And thank you. I'm glad I'm able to help somebody. That's all I like doing on this channel. That's why I'm so humble, guys. You know, I'm not a big plug guy, but, you know, everyone's out here to, you know, do their thing. And, you know, that's all it is. That's why I plug the Patreon once in a while and stuff. Guys, I want to help you eat, right? What is a Patreon, right? What do we got levels at? 5, 10, and 25 bucks, right? You know, I tried to put myself in your shoes before I release the Patreon. That's going to be the same case with this course I'm coming out with this spring. I put myself in your shoes. I'm like, what would I be willing to pay for this, right? Just an average Joe Blow, because I feel like I am average. I feel like I'm in your guys' shoes, right? That's kind of the whole brand, right? 9 to 5 trader. I don't trade 9 to 5, right? I'm not a full-time trader. I'm a 9 to 5 person that trades, okay? So, and we're going to come out with videos later. I'm going to give you strategies. How do you trade with a 9 to 5 job? It's very difficult. My job is very demanding, and I still get it done, but it's still not the way I want it to be, just because that's the nature of the business that I'm in. I'm in a very high-pressure environment, whatever. I don't have excuses. I'm just saying it doesn't help me. High-pressure environment, very fast-paced. I can't even sit on my phone, and I have all the freedom too, right? So that should just tell you something. But either way, you know, you know, I think I can be more transparent, relatable to you guys because of that. And that's kind of the brand I'm trying to build here, right? How do we get out of this? And no one wants to work a 9 to 5. No one wants to work for the man, but you know, let's work for ourselves, man. Let's get some freedom. I think the stock market, it's opened my eyes. I am obsessed with it because of the opportunity. It's disgusting. Maybe you guys chime in, okay? I don't think I've ever seen anything like this ever when it comes to money. Anything ever like this that has this much opportunity. Like, it is disgusting. That you can work your ass off your whole life, eventually become a CEO, right? The amount of time it's going to take you to get there, if you dedicated that into the stock market, you'll probably 10x the amount you will ever make as a CEO ever, okay? Just an example. You know, CEOs make millions, okay? But, you know, think about it. The opportunity is disgusting. I mean, you got these 20-year-olds on YouTube driving Lambos and shit, right? I mean, it's not about materials. It's not about money, right? But unfortunately, we live in a world where currency is power and currency is opportunity. And I think the most rewarding thing about that is, you know, when you have wealth, it can be fulfilling, right? It's a nice security, right? Because unfortunately, again, that's just the world we sit in. That's just the world we're in. It's ran by currency. The bills you pay, the heat you have on, the food you have, the healthcare you have, right? Imagine not having to even think about that. And then you can spend more time with family, more time traveling the world because life's too short. But you're spending so much time just staying up to par, being able to live, right? But you're not actually living. You're just caught in this bubble. Imagine not being able to worry about going to the hospital or taking care of your parents when they need it one day, or something bad happens in the family or good or whatever, and it costs a penny, or you want to send your kids to college, you ain't got to think about it, whatever that. And I think aside from the materials and the value of the dollar, it's the fulfillment of being able to do that, to accomplish it. It'll be so fulfilling to literally like look back. Let's say you're a millionaire, for example. Think how fulfilling it'll be to look back and think about the path it took you to get there, going from A to B. It's going to be so much fulfillment. You're going to wake up every day and be like, oh my gosh, like unreal. I mean, that's how you live life, because from going from A to B, it was so challenging, blood, sweat, and tears, maybe even literally. And then to be there and wake up and be a part of it, you'll be almost addicted. You'll be like, that's how you live life, right? Don't live par. You might as well try as hard as you can, because the only thing you have to lose is the opportunity. And anything worth having should never come easy. So Ed, thank you. I appreciate it, man. Gerard, Eater, have you heard of a 4-bar play? Yeah, man. What do you want to know, man? You want to see one? Hold on a second. Ed, meant to type that I love your work and humor. Freaking autocorrect. Oh, you're good. I got it. It's all good. Thank you, man. Had to preach for a little bit. Yeah, I've heard of a 4-bar play. I think 3-bar plays are a little easier to spot. Anything that's beyond 3 bars, my mind like has trouble remembering all the patterns. There's so many patterns. I think I got single candlesticks down. I got doubles down. I'm just getting better with triples, right? Like the 3 soldiers, the triple bar plays that there are too. 4 bars, I've heard of it. We can talk about it. Eater. 300%, yeah, that's fine. All right, so it's fucking stock. Look at these candles, man. They just fucking. Oh, okay. Let's do a little sesh. For the 4-bar play, I'm not entirely crazy familiar with it. I mean, because I've seen 3-bar plays. I've played 3-bar plays that were technically 4-bar plays. It was just an extended 3-bar play. It's kind of like a morning star pattern. Like there's morning stars that aren't exactly 3 bars. Sometimes there'll be like 1 bar, 2 like consolidating dojis, and then it'll be another bar like the Marabuzos, and then you have the consolidating dojis in the middle. I've seen that, but if you technically like Google a morning star or whatever, right? Right, morning stars like that, but it doesn't always pan out perfectly like that. Like I've seen it where it's like the 2 dojis in the middle. This doesn't give examples, but yeah, a 4-bar play, yeah, right there. See that? There's a morning star right there. See, there's 2 dojis, and you got the Marabuzos. So what I'm gonna do is look at 4-bar plays, and then we're gonna get to your stock. So I want to help people. Let's get it. All right, 4-bar plays. All right, reminds me of a 3-bar. Kind of same shit. All right, 3-bar, 4-bar, 3-bar, 4-bar. You can see kind of how it works, right? Essentially, the body, it's getting engulfed by both the previous and the following candle. So it's essentially getting engulfed. It's telling you that. I mean, that's what it is. Buyers are saying, fuck out of here, right? It's like a bullish engulfing, right? Same thing, but it's on a momentum path. Or there's bearish engulfing, right? So it's essentially that same theory. You seen a 4-bar play on this bad boy? Are you asking? What you seeing, Gerard? Gerard, fuck. What you seeing it on, man? Unless I'm dumb, because I'm probably dumb. You're thinking one can? Oh, you're thinking one can come off this? Okay, I wonder what your aggregation period is. killing me, Smalls. Alright, well, this is cool. I can't find it. Unless that was your aggregation period. What was it? What did I have it on the one day? I mean, it is... Yeah, you gotta help me. Text me or something, man. I don't know. I don't know. I know what a 4-bar play is, okay? That answers it. What do I think of this stock? I think it's done, man. It's cooking. Let's take a look. I'm just going to draw that in because I want to refer back to that later. I think it did just get done breaking out, right? You know me and you. We would have easily called this. All right. Went through that period, broke the sloping resistance, consolidated, gained a sick amount of momentum. Momentum is 28x the daily average. Jeez. 28x. What the fuck? Okay. Good golly. Right? Moon mode, right? I don't even know if that's the moon anymore. This thing's in a fucking... It's out of the Milky Way. I don't even know where it's at. It's out of the fucking Milky Way. Pluto's weak shit, okay? Solar system, weak. Milky Way, weak. It's on to the next galaxy. This thing is stupid right now. Now, 4-bar play. I don't know if you saw the 4-bar play. I don't know if you're fucking with me, okay? I don't see it. I don't see it. I maybe see it on the one-day aggregation. Sorry, what was the hour? I maybe see it here. It's a couple more than 4 bars. If you're on the 2-hour, really don't know. But you're stumping me here. Okay. There it is. Boom. Thank you. Jeez, man. Help me. 4-bar play. Okay. Money, right? Engulfing. And you can see, here's what's interesting too. You can kind of see it preemptively, right? You can see rejection of, you see a hammer here, right? And it's bearish, right? It closed lower than open. But you can see preemptively, right? If we had this big of a run, right? Rejection of higher prices, okay, boom. Followed with, right? You confirmed closed above open, right? So your red body. But here's what's interesting. You can see it's cooking for momentum reversal, right? It's cooking because we had this rejection of lower prices down here. It says, well, hey, well, we're red. Okay, guys, this is why it's so important to study candles. You need to understand candles. It's so important to your game because any normal person who doesn't know a lot about candles are going to see red and be like, oh, shit, it's done. No, man, the candles tell such a big story. The wicks, you can't ignore the wicks. I'm telling you, that is preemptively saying sellers tried to push it down, and the body, the size of the body is speaking even more volumes, right? So this is significant. And then boom, it got engulfed, and then it just says, yeah, fuck out of here, Marubuzu. I'm in it, baby. Fuck you mean. So thanks for sharing that. I have heard of the 4-bar now. Actually, I knew the 3-bar. I think the 4 bars is an extended 3-bar. But thank you. And I do appreciate your support, brother. Ed, thank you, man. Okay. Jared Cobb, do I have a chance on getting my money back on HOFV? Gerard says LOL, or he's laughing at something else. Okay, HOFV. I think we called this out in the Discord. Was it yesterday? Today? I think we called it yesterday. All right. A lot of in-between market action. A lot of extended hour action. Very interesting, right? All the action was after hours and pre-market. Very strange. Okay. Bet. It's a little unusual. Either way, it 10x the volume recently. It's retracing, and you're asking. Let me check the comments real quick. Boom, boom, boom. I did look at your stock, you fiend. You know the stream is delayed, you goon ass. So, do you have a chance of getting your money back? You're in at 663. Oh man, what was your plan, brother? You gotta execute, man. Jared, I gotta be dad right now, okay? I know you're my son, but I gotta be dad. Why are you still in this? Why are you still in this, Jared? Why? You gotta get out, man. How far down are you percent-wise? I'm gonna do it for you. All right. How far down are you? 560? You're down 20%. Is your plan to be down 20%? Maybe. Maybe you have a 3-to-1 ratio, right? Maybe you have a 60 to 20. All right. Where's your stop loss? Tell me that. And maybe it just didn't execute yet and you did have a plan. Okay. Because I do 3-to-1 or 4-to-1 ratios. Okay. That doesn't mean if I'm down 1%, that means factors of 1. That's probably not a good example. Factors of that ratio. So if I'm playing a 3-to-1 ratio, that means I'm going for 30% upside with a 10% risk. So maybe you had kind of that same scenario. So I won't dog you for that. But this thing is selling, boy. I don't know. It's selling. You know, it's still doing its thing. Strong bearish price action on the 4-hour aggregation period. Volume is still there. Seller volume is going down, so that's good. But it's going down today as the day ended, and I don't know if that's fair because I think big picture wise, it's going up. Honestly, let's take a look at the RSI. RSI high makes actually it's about midpoint. Makes sense. It's pulling back. Bearish momentum, right? It's kicking in. It's got a little finger here. Okay. So Jared, be careful. Be very careful. Do not backhold this, please. It's small. It's a penny. Be careful, man. Because there's no reason why I can't drop another 30% tomorrow. Okay. Now maybe it bounces, you get really lucky, and it gets back up to where you had it. And if it does, get the fuck out. Because I don't know. Technically, I'm concerned. Now, fundamentally, I don't know shit about this company. So, you take it with a grain of salt with what I'm telling you. So I do a lot of TA. I don't do, I'm a very technical guy. I do due diligence with my investments because that makes sense. I'm holding on to it. Anything I hold on to, I do DD on. Anything I'm not, I don't really give a fuck about these companies. I just trade them. So, right, I don't know shit about half the companies I trade. I'm just like, oh, it looks good technically. Let's go. Let's eat. And then I set myself up for probability. That's all it is. It's a game of probability. Put more things in your favor than are not. See if it follows suit. Wait for confirmation and always have a plan and don't get greedy. And if you fail your plan, take the short loss and move on to the next because there's plenty of opportunity. Yes, the stock market is the greatest wealth creator in the world. Yeah, I don't think there's anything greater than that. I really don't. Like I can't think of anything. Like even the rich agree with that. The rich get richer because of the stock market. That's crazy. That's why we're here at Financial Freedom is the goal, man. Who was here when we call that W key in the Discord? Yeah, boy. Passive income after busting yourself paycheck to paycheck. Passive income. Make money while you sleep. Let's go, baby. Hey. W key. Yeah. So... yeah, this was called out in the Discord today. Patrons were eating. Hopefully they were watching it. I can't pull it up because I'm a clown. And maybe you just suck at spelling. Yeah. All right, so we called this out this morning in the Discord. I mean, literally, I think it was right here when we called it. At about $11, right? This is what you pay $5 a month for, guys. You pay for 80% gains a day, so you'll pay for it quick, I promise. Or what? I think the $25 Patreon package gets you the private breakout. So we give breakout signals, but I think we do the entry and exit target prices for the exclusive Patreons. But Patreons, regardless, they get to eat. So we're going to send you guys signals every day. Okay? Quick runners. TGGI. I like to use that one, right? We called this out. I drew a circle there, right? We called it out here. I called this out at 8:52 in the morning. Okay? I have timestamps proof if you need it. But I don't know. I'm not going to waste time lying. But, I mean, to close the day, right? You at least got 32%. If you time the peak, you at least got 80%. Eat. Okay? Little incentive for you. All right. Kathy adding Beisel. This guy got bullied as a kid. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, such a fake Furu. I don't even know what that means. What are you talking about? Keep talking. I like it. Yeah, I'm doing terrible, clearly. See, yeah, look at this place is ghetto. Yeah, I'm doing terrible. I'm fake. I don't know. Is it fake talking about technicals? Because technicals are factual. That's why I trade technicals, right? There's not like, this isn't like belief. Right? This is technical. This is factual. This is what it's doing. You know? You got to get good at identifying it, but I don't know. I guess that's fake. I made 260 grand. I bought TCAT at $2. Okay, that makes sense. All right. This guy's a clown. So, yeah, I like it. I think it's just getting started. Nice. All right. Yeah, Mason, there's a lot of messages, man. You gotta bear with me. I don't know. I know you don't do crypto. I know you don't do crypto, but can you look into the Bitcoin chart? Bitcoin's wild. Should I buy LGHL as soon as I can't give you financial advice, Yasel, okay? But as soon as the market opens, it looks pretty bullish right now. I think it looks really bullish. I can't advise, man. I don't know. It does look bullish. I don't know what it's gonna do. I don't know. I'm conservative. I wait for confirmation. I wait for stuff to happen that I'm predicting. You know, I'm very bullish that it has confirmed a breakout above 456. But here's the thing: it confirmed the breakout in after hours, and that's not much of a confirmation. It's almost a doji candle. Okay, I want a little more. I want to be about halfway, and I'm waiting for 526 because it's gonna try to gap fill. This thing's gonna run like a tank. So Yasel, just be careful. I'm not gonna advise that. I just can't. It's not in me. Okay. Now again, right? Okay, 15-minute. Okay, it's confirming a breakout. So okay, I suppose. But again, high level, I'm more conservative. I'm waiting for the big shit too. I think it could run nicely tomorrow. Okay, let's go back to the 15. Let's go back to the 5. So yeah, it has broken through. Okay, I'd argue it's pretty confirmed then. But I want a little more steam, and it wasn't the after hours. But what I do like too is that it did retrace back down. So yeah, I guess it is confirmed. And again, anything can happen pre-market, and anything can happen in the first 10 minutes. So gotta be very careful. Me personally, I like to wait for a retracement back down. Let's reconfirm this support of 456, and then if it bounces off that, I'm gonna wait for confirmation through my email line, and then I'll probably try to ride this shit up. Can DVAX break sloping resistance? Thoughts on SPY? What do you want to know about the S&P 500? I'm gonna look at DVAX and then call it. So I gotta get to bed. Okay, guys, what are my thoughts on SPY? It's fine. Here, hold on. Let me show you my thoughts on. Again, technically, look at. Let's go to the max. Here's my thoughts on SPY. It ain't going nowhere. What do you mean? Looks good. Okay, looks fine. It's gonna be all right. Okay, it looks good. My thoughts on SPY is it's doing its thing. It's normal. It's correct, and it does it all the time. All right. Okay, I kind of drew that in like shit, but here's high level. My thoughts on SPY. It's fine. Okay, it's doing its thing. The market's gonna be volatile right now. You gotta be very, very careful. It's preemptively getting ready for the new world we're entering into. There's gonna be volatility up front. The stock market ain't just gonna keep doing its thing and then the world pops out. It's going to be volatile leading up to that because there's a lot of pre-anticipatory things happening. A lot of firms, brokerages, hedges, they're moving their shit around. They're repositioning their portfolios. There's bonds happening. There's money everywhere. There's so much shit happening that it's going to be volatile. All these things are getting ready. There's a realignment. There's a normalization. All these things are happening because they're getting ready for the world to reopen. You're going to see a lot of volatility the next few weeks. You're just going to see it. It's just part of the game. It'd be far-fetched to think things would just be cruising leading up to a post-COVID world. It's absurd. All right, so there's just a lot of things happening. SPY's fine. I don't think it's going anywhere. Dynamic support right here. It's already kind of bouncing off it preemptively, right? We got two green candles there. But yeah, it looks fine. I think SPY's fine. It's SPY's forever. Any index is pretty much forever, right? I mean, good Lord. It's okay. It's okay. Let's look at DVAX. Yeah, so Zaya, my passport pick. It's a long name. Yeah, the market's just doing its thing right now. It's going to be volatile, guys. You got to understand. There's new policy. Okay, so even if we didn't have COVID, it's going to be volatile naturally. Anytime there's a new president, there's policies moving everywhere. There's talks everywhere. Okay, there's things going on across the globe right now. Crazy supply chain, politically. There's just a lot happening right now. We're transitioning into a brand new world, and things are so convoluted right now. There's a lot going on. There's going to be volatility. There's over exaggerated fears. There's so much going on. And here's another thing too that things get overlooked with the money. The money is spread thin in this market. There's more retail investors than there's ever been since the genesis of the stock market, the New York Stock Exchange. There's more retail investors than there's ever been. There's too many fucking SPACs. There's too many fucking meme stocks. There's too many hype shit. So not only is there more money than ever being funneled into the stock market, but that money is so spread out more than ever. So it's deterring from the real companies with true value and true wealth, not these stupid ass fucking GameStop shit, these fucking SPACs that have no real value. They haven't produced a damn thing. They haven't done anything. They produce no revenue, but then you got a quarter of the fucking retail market in there. It's ridiculous. It's killing the companies with true wealth. That's fine. Let it happen. It'll just normalize eventually. But that's part of the thing too. On top of everything else that I've already talked about, okay? Money's getting spread thin. There's more coming in, and it's spreading out more because you have a bunch of troglodytes buying SPACs. Fucking just, it makes no sense, man. It's frustrating. It's frustrating. If you're an investor and you're in a company that is extremely valuable and is discussing potential and has actually produced shit and is actually generating revenue, it's frustrating to see that because it's pulling away from their potential. Just because you got these fucking troglodytes that don't know what they're doing. So it's fine, whatever. Hedge funds are eating that shit up. I'm telling you that. So these are the days to get happy and buy things on sale. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. People are so sweaty, weak ass hands, so I just load up. Let's look at DVAX. DVAX, guys, I'm telling you, DVAX, it's cooking. Okay, you can see I've kind of gone, absolutely caveman on this. Look at these fucking lines, dude. Cup and handle, boom. Look at this cup and handle, disgusting, perfect on the money. There's my handle and there is my bounce. This thing is going to the fucking moon. You heard it here first. Okay, Discord Patreons. Okay, Patreons are gonna eat. Y'all might eat, but you gotta chart it yourself. Patreons, I'm gonna tell you where to buy, where to sell. Okay. But you still got to execute, okay? If you lose money, you time it wrong, that's on you, okay? I'm just here to give you numbers. You do what you want. Now, things cooking. It's riding, okay? Gorgeous. When this thing breaks, okay? Where's it going? Where's it going? Let's look, okay? There's not a whole lot left when it goes up, baby. And it's cooking for a breakout. There's not a whole lot left. I think 14 is the next stop. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to wait for confirmation. Where am I going to wait for confirmation? I don't know. You're not a Patreon. So here's the thing. Cup and handle. It's retracing. Okay. There's my handle. It's pushing still. And it's going to eat. Let's eat, baby. I like it. Patreons, we're going to eat. Let's get it. All right. Yeah, I'm still going stock G. I'm a savage, dude. I'm done with the options. Yeah, I don't get in that. Not financial advice. I'm not a fan of options. I sent Zaya my passport pick because the liquidity. I just hate when I don't own an equity or a security. I just hate when I don't own a security. Options, you don't technically own the security. You're borrowing it. And so it's just scary because it's not as, I mean, it's still liquid, but it's just not, I fucking hate. I love to hate options. Did I say that right? I don't know. I think options make sense. The premiums are disgusting. If you do long options, I would do options if it was like a 2-year contract, but I mean, the premium is degraded, but it's good for people who don't have that much money to play with, and the upside is gross. But yeah, options, man, they're people are so aggressive with options too. They get like the 1 week calls. I'm like, okay, what the fuck? Hey, it's not like it's not good money. I just want to be able to manage my risk a lot more. So that's kind of what you pay for what you get, right? You're signing up for more risk, so that's why the company gives you premium. And so, you know, pay for what you get. I lost 40K. I'm happy about it. I got into a bunch of tech stuff for last year's prices. You lost 40K and you're happy about it? Okay. Only lose when you sell. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, James. Preach. You only lose what you sell, guys. Don't be sweaty. Don't be weak hands, man. What's your plan? Be disciplined. Okay. I'm the epitome of that. I got a lot of money in NEO right now, okay? And it's well above, my average is well above the current share price, but I'm not sitting here losing sleep. I don't give a fuck. What do you mean? I went into that expecting volatility. I went into it expecting red days. I don't give a fuck. I'm holding it for years, okay? You're absurd if you think it's going to be a straight shot. You're out of your fucking mind. Fountain bingo, love it. Only lose what you sell. Yep. Stock G, I'm here. I'm a savage. They suck because they got sales. All right. Bro, this cup and handle is disgusting. I'm hitting up my Discord about this right now. I told you, Stock G. Guys, I don't share it. Okay, if you guys aren't sold yet, that's fine. I guess I'm a fake Furu. I don't even know what a Furu is. But proof's in the pudding, guys. Okay. We're calling out Eater in the Discord. We're calling out TGGI. You want timestamps? I'm not fucking around, guys. I literally called this out yesterday morning, 8:52. Okay. We're calling out DVAX. Did you see the cup and handle? It's gross. Now again, you guys got to understand though, you have to execute. I don't care if I tell you exactly what you can do, what my targets are, what the breakout is, whatever it is, my target exit price. You still have to execute, even if I give that to you. Okay, just disclosure. Okay, none of this is financial advice. But the thing we look for is potential. Okay, now we're usually majority of the time right, but again, we set ourselves up to be right, to call those potential breakouts. How? Through technical analysis. All technical analysis all stock trading is trying to get the best setups possible. And it's just a filter process, okay? Follow through with the setup. Confirmation on this one? Nope. Okay, that plan didn't work out. On to the next stock. Boom. This one worked out? Okay, boom. 30% scalp. Out. Next one. Oh, this one worked, but never mind. It didn't work the way I thought it would. Okay, now I'm down 2%. Cool. Cut my losses quick. On to the next one. Oh, this one's working. Okay, up 10%. Cool. Cut my loss. Cool, 10%. I'm out. That's all it is. It's just a filter process. Set yourself up preemptively for the best setups possible. Execute. Have a plan. Mitigate risk. Don't get greedy. And cut your losses. Get the fuck out. Okay? But We gonna be calling out them hot stocks, boy. If you're a Patreon, link up above, guys. Sign up now, okay? If you don't believe me, that's fine. Well, you know what? You're gonna get value, okay? You either get some hot stocks. They're gonna break out potential that make your money back tenfold within like a day for being a Patreon, okay? And if it doesn't work out, then at the very least, I will ensure that I provide you value, okay? We can do some coaching lessons. I can do TA on your favorite stocks, okay? You can just pay, you're paying for that convenience. Hey, I'm not that good at TA. I like what 9 to 5 does. Well, I'm a Patreon. So, you know, with that, I know at least I can at least hit them up and say, hey, can you make me feel better about this? Can you give me TA? You guys get more than just breakout calls. I think breakout calls is all you need, right? Technically. But you get plenty more than that. All around package. I got you. John Mack joined LTNC Army, bro. Crazy potential long term. Check it out. Yeah. Thank you, John Mack. Appreciate it, man. LTNC is gross. You see it on here? We talked about it today. I started. Okay. I got a little list right here. Right below me here. All right. Where's it? All right. Called it out. Or I didn't call it out. Someone called it out and I saved it, man. This thing is cooking. I love it. It looks so good. I really like this stock for tomorrow. I think the potential is phenomenal. I think the 4-hour aggregation is what I liked. Yeah, this looks gorgeous. I like it. I like it a lot. It looks good. Potential's disgusting. Again, you just got to find the best potential and then write it out. If it doesn't follow suit, on to the next. That's all it is, guys. That's all it is. It's common sense, okay? Obviously, it's easier said than done, but it's straightforward, okay? The concept is conceptually, right? It's straightforward. What's going to set you up in your favor? If it doesn't work, okay, what's the next thing that's going to set you up in your favor? Doesn't work, what's the next? That's all it is, man. It's teeter-tottering. Boom. Yeah, see, told you Yash Dula. Yeah, and Yash Dula's in the Discord. So guess what, man? Yash ain't tight. We're gonna eat. That's one of many, Yash. You think that's looking good? Shit, we'll find that for you daily as a Patreon. Can you take a look at Nano Dimensions? Yeah. Real quick here. Okay. It's selling off. It needs to bounce off 787. I think 703 is your worst case. I'm in Nano Dimensions as an investor. If it makes you feel any better, M. Monroy. I like it. I'm very bullish. Okay. Great company. Great company. I call them Nano Direct Offering mentions. Why? Because they keep fucking doing direct offerings. Okay. Then you culminate that with the market sell-off they've been having. Okay. These fucking fiends. But I like Nano Dimensions. Very bullish on this company. I like what they're doing. They're essentially 3D print. They do additive manufacturing, AME, of semiconductors, right? And that's actually dying, you know, not dying. It's actually struggling right now, supply chain wise, right? Everyone's aware of the semiconductor shortage globally. Well, if you can in-house produce that, right, vertically integrate that process, it's more to your favor. So I like Nano Dimensions long term. My wife Kathy Wood is about it. Let's go. Yeah, James O'Leary, thank you. Sundays are the best. Yeah, man. Yeah, so Gerard's referring to, so if you guys are Patreons, something we're starting up. So on Sundays, what I'll do, so I do this live stream every Sunday, but you know, this is all high level, guys. If you're a Patreon, we go into detail. We can do live streams private, but on Sunday, what I'll do is we'll give you we'll give you the hottest stocks, whatever. And Sunday's your opportunity to, I want you guys, who are Patreons, okay? Or if you want to consider being one, every Sunday, we're going to get all the Patreons together, and you guys are going to give me your favorite stock. We're going to do a very in-depth technical. We're going to call out everything for you, okay? We're going to break down your stock. And if I really, really like it, we're going to add it to the personal, like, overarching Patreon. There's like a main overarching Patreon watch list, like, of everything, like the best shit, right? DVAX is on there. So it's going to get added to that if it's like the best out of the bunch. But the way it's going to work, you guys give me your one favorite stock. I don't care what it is. I don't even care if the company sucks ass. It doesn't matter. We're going to talk about it. Do a TA. We're going to draw on support and resistance, whatever. You guys can save that, do with it what you want. We're going to call out things for you. We're going to say, here's what we think it's doing. Here's what we're seeing. Here's what it might do next. Here's the target. Here's the breakout. If it has that, we're going to talk about everything. And if it's good enough, we'll make it to the ultimate list. Again, Patreon exclusivity only. And if you guys want to be a Patreon, or at least take a look at it, it won't hurt to look, right? Link at the top. Check it out. And let me know if that link works. And if it doesn't, go on the front page of my YouTube channel, homepage, top right corner. And I know that link works for sure, guys. Feds crash tech, not much more to say. Yeah, feds are retarded. Sorry, not retarded. That's a bad word. Feds are whack. Okay, I don't like the feds. They're weird. They just kind of like, they don't really, I don't know. They just create fear that's irrational. And then it's like they know it because they're smart. So why do they do it? I don't know. Whatever. Feds are goofy. That's why crypto's blowing up. Okay, because crypto is not decided by an entity. It is decided by the group around it. Okay, crypto is pretty interesting. It's a very interesting currency. It's not dictated by a Federal Reserve or anything. It's not dictated by the government, the value of currency. And that's all currency is, right? It's an exchange of value. But Bitcoin is determined by the culture around it, the group around it that consumes it, that utilizes it. Very interesting. Very interesting. I've been researching a lot about Bitcoin and crypto and blockchains. So I was personally invested in a lot of crypto. And I missed the run, but that's okay. I don't live a woulda, coulda, shoulda life, so it's all good, and I'll definitely get back into it. Price target? I don't know, Yash. You want a price target? You Patreon? I don't know. All right, well, no price target. Triple peak. Holy cow. You're amazing. TKS. Well, thanks, Maria. Hodl. Hold on for dear life. Yeah, James, I'm in Nano Dimension. Yeah, Cash Money. I don't have 5,000 shares, but I can't remember what I have. I have a healthy amount of shares in Nano Dimensions. I bought them all at, I think my average is like 950, but I bought them a while ago. And I thought about cashing out when I was at like 18, but I'm like, nah, I'm sticking to my plan. I probably could have shaved some off, but I don't really care. It's an investment. I just gotta be patient. I didn't know I was gonna take a shit, so whatever. I'm not fretting. Technicals on Ravecoin. I love crypto. Does corn count as raw materials? Yes. Not really. No, not in terms of. No, that is more a. I don't know what you count. Well, actually, no, maybe not. I think corn is raw materials. Yeah, it is. Corn, wheat. It's just not as. It's different. When it comes to it, so it's technically raw material. When I think raw materials, for me, it's more the I think more from an industrial standpoint. Okay, so part of that too is where I'm trying to get to is tomorrow they're talking about Biden's going to be talking about his plan for the industry going forward. So I think it'll be a significant catalyst for major raw materials that revolve around like construction, industrialization. Right, so steel, copper, cement, shit like that, lumber. So something to think about. Yeah, you lost more in the last two. I like corn. Oh, corn's the ticker symbol. Okay, corn is technically raw material though. It is. So let me look at TKS because Maria's giving the shout out. Smash the like, guys. Okay, I got like 2 more. I gotta get to bed. All right, because we got the 9 to 5 job we got in the morning. Fuck. Moon Gang. Get your Moon Gang tea. Link in the description. Plug. Let's take a look at corn. TKS isn't working, girl. Tompkins. Well, Maria, I do appreciate the support either way. Thank you for that comment. Let's take a look at corn. Oh, I think it is literally corn. I think it's an ETF for farmers. Let me tell you what, I came from farm country, boy. I lived in Iowa for years. Okay? Good people, okay? Fuck that state though. So either way, all right. You guys want proof? Oh shit, that wasn't cool. All right. Iowa State Cyclones, custom made chair. Okay, this is a great gift from somebody close to me. That's where I went to college. Iowa State, the great state of Iowa. Their state motto is fields of opportunity because this is literally fucking cornfields. Yeah, fuck that place. I grew up in Minnesota. That's how I ended up in Iowa. I was okay. I didn't even know that state existed until I graduated high school. So I still got A's in geography. I just cheated. So it looks like a cup and handles going here. Okay, it looks good, right? I think it looks like a ghetto mutated cup and handle. That's fine. Sometimes sometimes it be like that, man. Okay, man. And this is on the week aggregation period. Now I don't know if that is following suit. Okay. But if it is, right, seen a little bit of retracement already. Now, I like that level too. I'm going to draw while I'm at it. Yeah. Oh, excuse me, guys. Definitely. Ballin'. Sweet. I like corn. Corn ETF. What the fuck is this? How'd you even find this? Corn ETF. Reminds me of home. Fucking A. Look at these candles. Okay. Yeah, man. Looks alright. Looks like it's doing a... Oh, wait. Here we go. I think I'm seeing something now. Hold on. What ag are you looking at, dude? What aggregation? Help me out. Damn it. Thought we were going to hit that. Alright. Can't get what I want. I mean, it looks like an ascending triangle. I might be... Let me see here. Make sure we're getting our bodies here. Yeah, man. It does look like a... Yeah, wow. Okay, that kind of... I thought I saw something there. It looks like an ascending triangle. Looks gorgeous. Yeah, looks good. And, you know, honestly, if that's the case, right, where's it going to stop? I think right here. I'm going to validate that. I think I like this level just a little bit more. I might come up to here, though. Draw that back to today. Man, how you going to end the stream on this whack-ass corn ETF, man? What the fuck? So... cup and handle, right? And if it is a cup and handle, you're going to culminate that with a confluence of a ascending triangle pattern, more interim. This thing is going to fucking explode. I like corn, again, somehow. The only corn I like is Bush Light, okay? But it is what it is. And let me validate something here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this looks fucking good. Quick little, you know, 5% scalp. I like corn. I don't know if it has more room to run, but I think at the very least it has room to run 5% as soon as it breaks out. So, yeah, good call. Fucking corn. The fuck out of here. So, Hawkeye for life. Cash monies. Damn it. Broke supports weekly ascending triangle. Bullish divergence. Might be. You see bullish divergence? I see the ascending triangle. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Pornograph. That's funny. Oh man. There's gotta be a way to like, I think I could block somebody. If I do hide user on channel, I don't know if it does it, but I'm gonna find their channel real quick and block them. Yeah, man. Let me see. Okay. Sorry guys, I had to waste time with that clown. I didn't even read any of the messages. I just already knew they're wasting my time and your guys' time too. But you know, some people have nothing better to do. It's pretty funny. They think about that from a high. That's why I don't stress about that shit. Think about that from a high level. That person's a deadbeat. I mean, what, you got nothing better to do? Like, are you serious? Like, is that your thing? You just get on that live stream and okay, cool, okay. Why don't you go like add value to the world if you've done that yet? Corn is corny. The breakout, maybe the breakout, it only has 5% to break out. The breakout, maybe it might break out. Oh my gosh, that's a brain aneurysm. So what goes on in the Discord if I join? I'm new here. Boss, we get it. What goes on in the Discord? I'll give you a little taste. Alright? I want to make sure I can like censor a little bit. So here's a little taste of the Discord, right? So the Discord, there's over 1,000 people. It's fun. It's stimulated. It's running, right? And honestly, if you can make it what you want it to be, you can make it a cool area to shoot shit with. You can make it an area to talk about random shit, right? Shoot shit with. You can make it an area to just talk about stocks. You can get opinions from other people in there. We have experts. We have beginners in there. We don't care. Okay, you guys in there making thousands of dollars a day for a living. It is what it is. You can talk about options, investing. There's education in there. Here's the money. All right. Don't forget about the private live stream. So if you're Patreon, right, you get your own trading area, right? You get private chat. Ask for chart. Hit me up whenever you want to chart. Sunday Stock Talk, it's really cool. Something new we're trying. Every Sunday, again, we're going to culminate our Patreons. You spit me your favorite company. I don't care if the company sucks ass. I will give you a technical breakdown on it. I'll talk about some key price levels, all that good stuff, okay? This is very high level what we do in the stream. This is going to be more thorough. If it's good enough, it makes it onto the 9 to 5 watch list. This is really the Patreon watch list, okay? These are the hottest stocks we're watching, right? Like DVAX. DVAX is going to be on there. We're going to talk about everything. We're going to tell you when to go in, when to exit, everything. We're going to do all the work for you. Here's money too, breakout alerts, okay? We're going to throw breakouts in there throughout the day as things come at us. Again, we call that like TGGI, ran up 80% for that day. We called it right away in the morning when it was only up like 10%. This is where we call it all the major breakouts, okay? Now recently, we've been doing a little bit of that in here, okay? Just giving people a taste, but that valve's gonna shut off really soon, okay? We've just been doing that to kind of say, hey, here's what you could be missing out on, okay? As a Patreon, or if you're not a Patreon, but Patreons, okay? They're gonna get the exclusivity. We can't spoon feed the guys that aren't, you know, if you help me help you, right? If you're supporting the channel, you're funding the channel, you're paying, you're going to get this shit. You're going to make your money back tenfold, okay? And if you don't physically make it back financially, if you don't financially make your money back, because you still have to execute, okay? Risk mitigation. If you don't execute, say you don't make it back financially, I will make sure you make it back some way, somehow. I will provide value to you. You get the private live stream with your boy. We can do one-on-one coaching, okay? We can do education if you want to learn about stock trading. We can baby you through as much as we need to, right? If you want to learn how to, you know, hit the breakouts, how to find them, how to chart them. If you want to learn how to chart like me, I can show you that, right? You get a lot of value with it. At the very least, you get monetary value, okay? And at the, you know, or at the very least, you get sentimental value. But, you know, on top of that, you get also monetary value. So you make it what it is. But yeah, and then say you just want to support the channel and you just want to be in Discord that's very active. We got a great community, great group of people. You get that as well. Plenty of benefits. Patreon link, top link in the chat. That's what you get. Thank you, KBNGAK. You know, check it out, consider it, and if you don't like it, it is what it is. I'm never gonna force money down your throat that you don't have to pay. Okay, you have to. It's a decision, right? You got to think about paying money for something. I get it, but at the very least, again, you're gonna get value out of it. Okay, whether it's monetary or not, You'll get it. NEO's going to be fine. Thank you for what you do, and StockMo are the only ones that give me hope with NEO. It's so hard at the moment. It really gets me down. Yeah, Michael, I'd show you my Robinhood account, but I haven't opened it in 2 months, so I'm there. I'm there with, yeah, it's only March. Thank you, Cash Money. Guys, Michael, let me be real with you, Michael, okay? Let's do the, I don't want to sound rude. From a common sense approach, okay? There's nothing wrong with NEO. There's nothing but upside. What if NEO's selling off because the headquarters exploded, the executive team, they're sleeping with all the receptionists, they're tanking, they're not selling vehicles at all. What? There's nothing wrong with NEO fundamentally, right? Everything that's happening is out of their control. The market's taking a shit. Oh well, NEO's got to reflect. NEO is, if anything, I'd argue that if the market is selling off and NEO is suffering from that, I'd say from a high level, that's actually confirming how strong that company is, right? If the company starts to move aggressively with market, right, it's not favorable, but it's also attesting to the fact that there's true value there. NEO has a lot of value. I'm telling you, okay? I'm trying to get away from not exercising bias, but just think about it from a high level, okay? What's wrong with that company? What are they doing that's wrong? What's bad? How's the future look, right? Nothing but up. It's going to be okay, okay? You gotta go through the trials and tribulations, okay? You got to do it. I love to use, let's do Walmart. Let's do Walmart. I did Amazon earlier, let's do Walmart, okay? Here's Walmart, max chart. This is the whole company's life, okay? It did a little bit of NEO over here, okay? When it was first conceived, right? Let's just say NEO's, and this is NEO right here in this section. This is NEO today, almost to the T, about the same esque chart movement, right? In this block, this is NEO. NEO started out here as $3. It got to 60 up here. Now it's like fucking 30, 36. The point I'm trying to make is it's never a straight shot, and every great company has gone through it. Every great company. I don't give a fuck who it is. Okay? From its peak, Walmart has dropped at one point. Down 36%. Okay? Let's look at NEO. Alright? It's going to be okay, man. NEO at its peak. Right here. Where's it at now? Where's it at now? Alright? Down a little heavier. That's fine. It doesn't matter. We don't need to look at the granular view. The high level is that every company that's great has gone through something like this at some point in time. And again, a lot of this isn't even, it's not because of them. It's because a global semiconductor shortage, they can't help. A snowball effect of, correction of the growth tech, whatever, market index. China. They've been so NEO selling off more than growth in tech stocks because of China. China has some political conflicts, some global conflicts. NEO doesn't have global conflicts? Okay, it's out of their control. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. Okay, I'm telling you, there's so much value in this company. It's disgusting. Eat this shit up. Okay, people up here, yeah, I guess they're worried. You shouldn't be if you're an investor. But down here, eat this shit up, because I'm guarantee you, once things are getting back to normal, the shit's up here, okay? We're sitting in the hundreds now, steady. We're doing the Tesla thing, all right? We're up here now. Oh, we're still going, okay? Year and a half from now, and you could have got down here at $36, but everyone's sweaty and just weak. I don't know. That's just my 2 cents. How long for DVX? How long time-wise you think it'll take? I can't tell you. Not a Patreon, man. So I just bought a bunch more. Anytime under 22. I'm buying NEO tomorrow. $100. $1,000. I'll buy NEO at 25. You buy it whenever you want. If it hits 25, I don't know. Maybe it does. I don't know. You gotta understand, this thing is, you gotta understand, like, do you guys know what this company worth? Like, this company's like actual worth, like from an enterprise value is higher than the current share price. Okay, That's just telling you. And here's the thing too. Let me know about this daily average volume of 105 million. Okay. Let me show you something here. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. You see this blue bar right here? You see these blue bars down here? Okay. Look at that. Look how low that is comparatively. Okay. It's at 105 million. This thing has been steady in the hundreds of millions of volume. Okay. You know why? Because it's investors. It's people holding. Why? Because it's a fucking real company. So I'm fine. You know what? It is what it is. Everyone has their opinion. I'm just going off facts. This company's fine. They've been doing fine. They look phenomenal. And that's all factual. They've been doing good things. They're executing. Okay. I'm not making up the deliveries that they have. I'm not making that up. That's hard numbers. They're doing fine. It's fine. Palantir. I think Palantir's great. I'm an investor. Yeah. Buy the dip or it will dip more. Nobody knows where it's going, Jay. I mean, I don't know. Nobody knows where it's going. I'm just saying, I don't know. I can tell a lot of people in here have not invested really at all ever because if something dips, they like freak out. You're wrong. It's gonna keep going off. It'll never hit 60 again. It's like, okay, I can tell you've never invested before, guys. I've been doing this for years. This is nothing. You guys, you'll learn. You'll learn. And then when this thing's sitting around $200 and 9to5 Trader made a video a year or two ago and it was at 36 and he told you to chill the fuck out and you got sweaty, it is what it is. I've done this for years, guys. It's fine. But I don't know. You'd have to be absurd if you thought when you got in, you planned to hold it for years that it was gonna hold that same value or just keep cruising forever. Okay. Net overall, it's going to keep cruising. At some point in time, it's going to dip once in a while. Sometimes it dips harder than others, and it's part of the game. It's got to chill out. Yeah, they're all going to cover. Yeah, James, thank you. Text forever. Like, are you guys clowning? What do you mean? Text forever. It's a correction. It's volatility. It is what it is. You know what I mean? Like, it's part of the game. I don't know. It's just common sense. It's part of the game. Market's going to do its thing. Sometimes it sucks. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it's bullish for months on end. Sometimes it dumps 50%. Okay. Well, not that hard, but you know, the market is forever. Let's go to the Nasdaq. Okay. And then we got to close out. Okay. Where's tech going? Okay. You tell me. Where's it going? All right. What is this? What is this? 2 decades? All right, 2 decades of tech. Where's it going? You tell me. Oh, wait, but what if the market starts selling off? Oh, wait, but what if we have a global pandemic? Okay. Well, when if it starts selling off and it keeps, what do you mean? This dip is pennies. Like, what? You can't even see it. That's how small. You can't even fucking see it on the big chart, on the max chart. You can't even see that dip. That's how minuscule it is. Some are bigger than others. Okay. October, right now, okay? Global pandemic, an outlier, right? Okay, we're fine. Max chart, boom, where's tech going? We're fine. Chill out, buy the dip, and you heard it here first, and you do what you want. But I just use common sense, and it's working for me. So we're gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right, Neo guys, Neo holders. Cool. All right, guys. Smash that like button. Okay? Yeah, yeah, Michael. Yeah, long term. Yeah, I know, guys. That's the problem in this market. Michael makes a good point, right? The problem is, it's a different world. You think about the average person. Okay, the average person's impatient. The average person is creating their own anxiety. When they bought something for $60 and it's at 35, right? You're gonna create anxiety for yourself, right? Don't torture yourself. I haven't looked at my Robinhood account in a while. Okay, I have a lot of money in Neo. It's fine. I'm not worried about it. I expected it. I didn't expect that hard of a dip, but okay. Like, you think I'm gonna change my plan? I will feel worse if I sell right now. I guarantee you, because it's going to bounce. It's inevitable. I just the world we live in, people are very impatient. They're a lot more reactive. Every reaction is an overreaction, especially in the stock market. Okay. People are freaking out right now, and it's making other people freak out, and then it's making other people sell, and then it's making other people sell. It's a compound effect. It is what it is. And guess what? The people who end up on top are the ones that had discipline. They had patience. It's just like anything in life. It's not even with investing. It's almost everything and anything in life, right? It's like school. Think about college, for example, right? When you're in college, it sucks. It's years of beating you down. All right. It's very hard to be persistent. But you stayed disciplined. You got through it. You got it done. Okay. Because you saw the light at the end of the tunnel. You were patient with it. You said, hey, this will be worth it in the end. I'm going to stick to my plan. Okay. And it'll work out. So, college is just an analogy, right? There's many examples. But guys, you can't always, when it comes to a long-term plan, if you're too focused on, if you analyze too much in the now, it can deter you. It can burn you down. Okay. I'm not saying ignore it. It's your hard-earned money, but always keep the big plan in mind. Stay disciplined, okay? Oh, yeah. Is there trolls back in here? James, you want to be a mod? Yeah. How do I make you a mod? Okay, cool. That's easy. Thanks for helping. Thanks, James. Appreciate you, man. Cool, guys. All right, I'm gonna get to bed. Smash that like button. It was great having you again on another stream. We'll be traveling to Nashville this weekend and getting my face smashed in by liquor. So I'm going to still be uploading every day. I think I'm gonna upload videos ahead for you and then just release them on, because I think Friday and Saturday is the only day I'll actually be out. And then Sunday we have our live stream. I told you I don't miss Sunday, so expect that coming. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow will be. I think I'll do. Let me think about this. I gotta see what videos I want to do tomorrow. I was gonna do how to trade in the red market video today, but I need to start getting you guys like hot stocks videos out, so I can help you guys make some money. And the Patrons, they get the more detailed hot stocks. They get like the target entry, all that bullshit. There will be a stream on Sunday. I'll post it on Friday. I'll set up the schedule. Cool. Have a fun week. Yeah, thanks, man. I'm gonna die. There will be a stream Sunday. Real life Jim Leahy. I love the Trailer Park Boys reference. All right, guys. Cool. Have a good night. Thank you again. Consider joining the Patreon. Check the link at the top of the chat. All right. How the fuck do I do this? I'm butchering this. Right over there. Yeah. Right there. It's right up there. Okay. Right up here. See the mouse. Okay. Consider joining. And if that link doesn't work, check the front page of my YouTube channel homepage. I don't know. Patrons are fucking stupid, and I guess their links don't work. So I know the front page will work. Thanks again, guys. Loved having you, as usual. Let's get after it tomorrow. We got 2 more days. I know it's been red. So if it's been red, be conservative. Again, check out inverse ETFs. There's ways you can still make money. At the very least, check out the Discord channel. We'll call some things for you. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good night. Smash that like, smash that subscribe button, and let's get after it. Happy trading.